Abusia beka me ho e na yemfa ye ema otwedi ampa wa hene ne prokase na ye te ase e na beti na obi awu na obi yare ba me no mienu de won kwamu ye wa hoden a ese ye de na ase soronko emenya nkopon esemwe e na me de ma akwa ba eba Adom TV dwumadi ato ne din kranhye sem so me a me de dwumadi ho chia me ye osomfo ni takotego odi fufuro kan wa mepe na ma me na wase e se me no aka bomu na me fa nchia kese enkonwe so enchia nye so hene eye bafo yebo a osa hwedi otoso mienu menua ene de me da wase abusia me koso ama kane se abraba a wo bue no nya be bia na osusanso ya be bia na pa ewia na nyuma osusanso. Your life is controlled by the plans you place on the gardening of your mind. Wabraba wo bue wadwene a se fuo na nneoma wodua no wadwen proso no eso aduaba e ma wotwa bi kasa bi abeka ene bi abeda na die no enyansoso e wo so ene woni a wono boko so atafre na me say wadwen no e yafuo. Your mind is a garden and you are the gardener of your life's garden and you are responsible for growing the plants in that garden. Wabrabo nsho bi sa woni ye enkura obi o kasa ne woni ye ejina wadwene so na wadwene ye afuo kase pa wodua mu nyoma. You may end up planting a tree watered with lies, selfishness, deceit, anger, anxiety, wickedness, or thoughts controlled by fleshly desires. Wherefore now what do wadwene proso no e ba na say wodi nsu a ye ntro nsu pesamonko nya nsu and there abufuo oyawdie ahahayo ne temodin ene mpo hunam akono na beguso ebeso abake ebiom. You may even water your life tree with love, truth, hope, kindness, patience, gentleness, faithfulness, or you will think in patterns aligned to the Spirit of God as sources of water for your garden in your mind. Ebiom wadwen mu no enso beguso le betime gina wodoso no kreso edaso eni ahomobro ntoboase empo sabe yeto ebrase ye neoma ahohyeso no kuredie ena adwene a nyina so gina hom konkron eso ewomu ona abesam ayie. So your life garden is controlled by two elements, the element of fear and the element of faith, the element of love or the element of wickedness and hatred. It is you who have to make a choice. Abrabo a wo boy obi na wo ba ha dia nanso be waduro no ababi abeso no efiri wankasa ababi abeso menu aba me no kasa be ma wo hwe me ne dey ababi abrabo eso se de awade etie biara odwuma wo yo ne nkoso na hwe ase wapom ni na wade nyina no nyina so etoji wankasa wabrabo awie no. Your life may bear fruits of wisdom or stupidity. Ebedu bia no abrabo nso so betima ya nyansa ana sabe tafrache jimie. Abrabo betima nso so a ede papa yo beba ana sabe bone. Your life may bear fruits of goodness or bad manners. Bo nso bi hu one ya on ka hwe wabu ani che woni tim. So abrabo nso ni mfaso. Your life may bear fruits of truth or lies. Abrabo be so aba ada nokre ana ntro. Baba beso aba ewo wodo anande etemodin so obabo aba no ebetime nya nsoso papa ana nsoso bone ewo bi so obrabo nsoso betime ama enkunimdie ana nkuguo adware won ebi obabo nsoso no betime aye neoma ba ma waye ade so nyina awura ana abaye akoa ma abrabo etoji wankaza emfa bebi awufre emfa wo school akwa na wanko emfa se wote akura doso mu se bi anyafo mai no yem ana empo nwenso emfa wo bebi wote se wote kokase mu ya wo isle go bebi wa brabo nsusanso agina wo so nya bebi wote. Whatever you think, whatever you say or do has an impact. It's up to you to determine the impact your life is creating. Ababa wo boy edu bebi a enhwe bi enhwe na na eja ehwe bia wo fire awade awo mu ana adwuma oye no wabraba wo bo no So obi be di ne die be ma say ye be kotokoto wo say ye be bo se ejira wo so and found so na president and now na ye libra bibia be ye bia no e de nsanso enam wo nipa ya hu omo a woni gi wo ho nipa ya hu omo a woni so wo no nipa ya hu omo asa wo koto wo no enye bibi titiri bia no na ye o e nsanso na brabo e de bre wo ani omo aben wo na enso wo ye awade a woni gi ho no woni ho won macho o wa pomodni woni wadwuma enya nkoso no enye bibi titiri bia no wo yo eye timopo ene ye ne kasapa wode bu awabo ene wonne entiene meja wo ha na me ka kire wo say consider the impact your thoughts, your self-talk, your words and your actions may leave on others, on yourself, and whether the impact you make is moving you towards success or failure. Ya no bu kompa hwa brabo menu aba na menu abema ebi wakwa da bia no koto no koto ja no manka po no o tete Nyankopon aso empa a wo bo no bi san say aso adinkunim bia bi brew ana bia wotim na wotim se empa no Nyankopon wa Nyankopon ne aso asi o eye kwa afa so bo mpa ye ene ma wo yo na asi o mpa be kwa ababo ya mo bi so ma yie ana obi mebre ye nyina ye bubura kro na ye kasa ye ne adwene na de so so bre ye me mpa bo no so ene dey onyame na beboa wo na wanya nyansa ne nukuradie a beboa wo na wabra bo nsusanso e de yopa abra wo na obusua no man ana meja wo me de na se ko Isaac ho e na eja wo be kampedu ho e na Richmond weba munyina mo production room maba camera e na sina ni ima mako sound osmosis ni Frank mada MC afuase lighting e na floor managers na me de obi ase obi o adom a obo amadwumade ba nyina onyame nhira mu nyina wo nya mrehwe me de and crab the Jawan say, Uno Yame, Entina.
Yada CBM Samoa Kwabado, Badwam TV, Badwam Jumediano so na yada Apostle Doctor Nite Kotegwa say, and in Cranshan Sama, dear bread, Edu Sony, a Badwam Cassian, some of the over Tibini, a ready for Nunia, one monka, or to one more bear, be one more poa da, ye sorry ya. Crow from Jono Yabedregu, Nipa be the Marshal on some. And only send being an opay at the browse, Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, or share live or Facebook /Adom TV Extra, Go TV at 119, DSTV at 280, Uko YouTuber, search Adom TV Tube, nakwadomonline.com, and send me any sembebre ewoho. Midi de fear among kwa tamaklo, a fear ni deviantes and some niche mo ankasa etie. Ejadifo beso ha wo mo kro from Colombia ya no nyina hye Kumasi bensino ase nene won hu adwiri won no won hu nia wonya kra wo mo akwa akoda de ache wo ba wonuma so a wo ba ya adwiri won yema agufom a wo mo nim emra bia kasa bia nko so a adwiri won yema agufom kase no etwa so
obia meka bibia mi to nyame obia meka bibia entre entina na no mesrabo o man panyi mesrawada yes men panyi na me flowers bibia ma fare papa mo me nkwa tira mo kwara de ya sedi nyina yanim ni pakro eti Ghana asade ya de sesei ti Ghana asade sesei de esi ko sana tie sana tie dia Ghana amranya adwuma sese obia de mranya de sentimi ya de ope etu amampanyire ya to abana mawo mesra wada ma homre so na ese de Kumasi amoton abrotumfo kro ni mo che adai
me pamacho mo ma me fa me niema o mo se da eno ani griri o mo pu ye niema nyina ye na ye so wa nyina ye bu ni nyina ta fofo mo hwe mi o me na me nie
na adwadifo no emfitiase no ebo Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly no kwadu se womo na atu sa na mu esan so be piem wo ha shops dodo na wo mo adwiri nyina e de agufom na bra Adom kase ebo anan ko piem e wo kemi yare kasa maafo e ma kemi bedwa no e ye fia kuna du bonkomo
Pachopi de mitmi afam ofide so a state no clear say on authority say enye Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly and ekoye demolition exercise e call so e wo crow from total filling station opposite Honum ye checks say a private developer and ekoye side demolition exercise no
Asori maybe ya one more Resurrection Power New Generation Church. Ye church ya one penny for. If say one more offering I want to on akunta bia memu. If free bra ya one so for penny a year Antonio Kodobuache when yan baby e chrono e free mono. Na e meburu bi no mususu se yi connection na wo mototo ni nyina no wo mu hu bebia akunta bia wo mususu se elders ni bi ene penny na ma eka ho na sika no adane nkwanta kase no etwaso
isane pese de emugu eko but this papa wuye ene bebe akwacho enkuyi one ye eti branch e branches ano e problem bebre fese problem bebre so because how amanebu na wo de nko we fa esi sika ni ho wo de nko esi sika ni ho why pass church ni etu offering etu tight ye bo for we ade na esi sika ni ho enta youth ni aso we yaso gina aso to ina so gina say accountability enye du asafo na pepere yo woni wo kofu mi ense bi pe na chechiri na saade we nyina eko na wo hwe placard ya church na yes no accountability no preaching yes say na both any so for my ensi for one yenso yempene any nioma bebre etete sesa no kwenye se asafo no etoso yese ya bebre ka ye doson ye over 20,000 at a setting. And now, Ubasafunuma, yes, what it? Na Yasutia nete, and the youth na sorry. Say young penny, say young accountability, and your Juma.
Na osakwa edu ya so meyi edebom panyimfo nam so amadom kase ebo modern say enkani aso panyimfo yi betwetwe nkomo nanso no mode ato yenim say emprempre die wono muntimi enkasa emfanfa ne mumuno wono mode asemi akwakodan wona lawyer fo a enche bia no wono mode wona no disem eba beto montenso
Yano eso na bino gune hihye mu odin so na adehia wo mo wo banyere ye nam ntokosem nti wo mo tu bata ko emia hodo bi no wo ya maye atoye sebeya yebetumi ede wo mu nyina aba wo mu nchi nti me kasa ya te basum konso se wonye hihye mu bosume ba ko onfamra na afia ban entwaso.
The government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama expects that you will conduct your duties with impartiality, transparency, and inclusiveness, engaging with all stakeholders, traditional authorities, opinion leaders, civil society, and security agencies, so that peace and trust can be rebuilt in Jimiri and its surrounding communities. The ministry will provide the necessary secretariat and logistical support to enable you to discharge your responsibilities effectively. I'll also encourage you to leverage partnership with civil society organizations, development partners, and faith-based institutions as you carry out this noble task.
Was signed to committee name say, Womo ebe boam, Akadia bia, Womo ebe here, let me a boama, a juma, Womo dia shamunsan, Womo to me a tusuanamon.
The disturbances quickly spread to surrounding villages and communities, leaving in their wake the loss of precious lives, the destruction of property, and the displacement of men, women, and children who were forced to flee their homes. In response and acting upon the directive of the National Security Council, the Ministry of Interior has constituted this Ministerial Mediation Committee. The committee reflects government's commitment to peace, security, and social cohesion, as well as our resolve to ensure the safe return, rehabilitation, and reintegration of all affected residents.
Enipa na ya to na no mu sia do wo banyere basabasa kwaso no ye mu ayemiensa ba yuasu kono so eka ho ebi wo won sesin bi a wo bo e wo wanchi wo bono mantam no emu kase yi edi achi
Ababe to dwase nipa nan maamefo ene ema wo matwa nananom e won siedo e wo shelter camp e wo wanchi bono region enam mentim ho ase a ekoso e wo gbenyiri ensem no akiremu a mienu a wo mo etwa nananom won siedo yi wo mo yare ana wo mo ede omudimirika ekọ wanchi ayare sabia ne ho ne beto dwase fofie antoata ana wɔn ɛto anananom ɛwɔ nsiedo maame a wɔn nso wɔn fie kɔ n'anim paa a wɔn nso free community bi ɛwɔ bɔɔle wɔn nso to anananom ɛwɔ nsiedo na sɛnea nam so ɛma wɔn to anananom wɔ nsiedo no adɔktafoɔ ntumi ɛnkyerɛ ɔmanfoɔ bi a wɔn wɔ kampoɔ ɛde ato dwa sɛ saafo yi a wɔn ato anananom wɔ nsiedo wɔn wɔ gyidie paa sɛ ewiem sakyerɛeɛ a ɛnam so ɛma ewiem adano no ɛka wo bi ɛna nya nsonsoaso bɔne ɛwɔ ɔmanfoɔ apɔmuden so a wɔn ato anananom wɔ nsiedo no ebi mu nso a wɔn ka ho a wɔn yɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔn dwane afi beebi a mentimo ase ɛkɔɔ so no bebree nso epraeɛ camps ahodoɔ a yɛde wɔn din to dwa ɛnyɛ wɔn nkutoo vonkori ɛwɔ sola tuna kaba area techiman ɛne mpatemu ahodoɔ bi nso no a wɔn ne Ivory Coast ɛbɔ hyeɛ ɔmanfoɔ ayɛ basa paa ɛnam sɛ mentimo ase ɛkɔ so yi.
Yemfree ho na yenko yensam foforo mu na Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition NNA wormu the mobile library akọ Aloboshi Basic School se enka International Literacy Day award you know eho a Adom TV kase etwaso
ba Aloboshi 1 and 2 school if you say yen hwehwemu ma ehu say school no omu ni library school dining so aye kama mofra no omo wo mu ne so omo dooso e na yehu se mofra ni bi wo ho so a omo adekan no ewo form ewo class na omo wo no nti yegina ye chairman anem aye Mr. Joseph Achuhomaji ene nek kuo ni nyina ebe donate mobile library e ma nkwala no se de be betumi atwen akọ omo class na every bia wo se nkwala ne tumi kan ade no o metumi anya books a omo betumi akenkan.
Ehona headmistress of Aloboshi 1 Basic School, Eunice Day, and so mobile library moi, one more ideas the PC, a codema Ginex say and nay, one so a kai one more day I say about bedroom one more watchers say, one be so ye pa na boa a wo, but I ain't one more at the bedroom one.
But this has come timely. With the mobile library is going to help us improve upon their case learning, their reading, which reading is the backbone. So with this, I think that is going to help us improve upon their literacy skills, and that will also improve upon learning in general, and that will help Mother Ghana. We have a dilapidated structure, which if renovated, we can put up a library. So this one that is a mobile library is very good, but we appeal that there is space in the community, that if organizations, benevolent organizations, government institutions and all those things to come to our aid and build a library for us.
Enti egusoa ye International Literacy Day no emo ene ya make say engage now Africa ehunu se ewo se enya nkwada nko a na ye de won mo ehye no mo nti efiti 2017 no ebepim nei emebunu mpanifo be se 15,000 ena wode won mo ahyemu a country director Cecilia Mankwa ede semi etuja.
About 20,000 people have been on the program. You are graduating 15,000 plus. And our vocational skills we are introducing in 2018. As I'm talking to you now, no more than 10,000 have been through the vocational skills training. And over half of these people that I'm talking to you, they are using these skills to do something for for themselves. In Tina, adult literacy, is very paramount because what I was told to me, a crowd bet to me, the aye, Juma, a deep point to a beba or brabo. It's not we a bomb or the answer, young mammy, no, young jomo, young focusing my one colano monquan so. Colano, the show, yes, best, and Pessia Befocus, one more quan so.
I was said you made in a sino gamanche, ebi piasia, nanodi sema, nanomonsini kama no what to just say. As I say, me a new coon, I can canny a tree home, my mupa, a son say, and on a tree, yana mamre, and I think so, your Dutch and mono, and you can see who say, a year at the pony.
Let us embrace technology not as a threat, but as a bridge that links our proud traditions to the promise of the future. May this 58th International Literacy Day remind us all that literacy is dignity, opportunity, identity, and freedom. You remind us it is never too late to learn, never too late to dream.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwere me kase yesi nipa bese 800,000 ya womo amansini wotwemu won fifi mantamu no enche wombewu ni nyina gina nsu papa wonmu enya anumunti galamsefue wonmu ase river ayensu no ama ato gisenya mebem e wagona kwanya ko waterworks no emu Adom TV to asui
you will be pure water. You will go to pure water. Baby, pure water. And so you have to pure water, such as 18 cities. Yeah, soon.
First, what to pipe my bay now, what you are and fire home. I saw her, yes, sound free. Say, I saw my friend for you, yes, and for you, Granny and Honka Kayan. Yan soon. The warrior one. Uncle sees one, yes, you should. Yes, I'm afraid I won't go school. When you so well, into your sabbing, yes, said a pa, you soon. I'm washing my.
Na when I'm so I'm a assembly member what I gonna found my electoral area Albert Quino and so to just say.
If you such as say, near no, a wood run iron, sir, into your numa yebu. Yes, you need to be a until you just said in an Galamseno, Yaha, baby, ya hwehwema ya hu se omuntu obabia ba omuntu eastern region babia enso no efi ba no efi esoko ede ko nim apapem aho na galamsefu no akwahye na minim se obia so ema permit se wontu nso no wo eye nso no mu wontu die offense galamse no wo nso no mu nti eye nkrofo na wo moye no na wo mo se nso no.
Yanto so kanemensi krache wo ho eye divine bosom ene wose DC aben wonye hwe 9 months ni eduma wo ye nso ani kura ni kiremu eni.
When you go on social media, there's people who were lambasting Nana Akufo-Addo. Oye Udini, Oye Wewe. Have you seen them of late? Easy talk than done. You can say it, but doing the job is a different thing. Their social media fighters and all those things are quiet. You cannot say anything of them. Most of them who are assaulted are chasing people to hospitals, assaulting them here and there. And you know, what are you seeing? Today when you ask them, they'll tell you there are road projects ongoing. When does the project started or began? They should go to the road ministry and see the funding sources. Who initiated this project? I told you politics is a business of like a relay. And when the baton is given to you, you continue and end it. And also give to somebody, either within or without.
And which you know, what's an same thing so etuja?
Unlike the vision of President Akufo-Addo that whether you are the son of an ex-president, you are the son of an ex-minister or an ex-MC or so government appointee, everybody must have the right to education. And that is what we have in our law, the FQ, the free compulsory basic education. It's there. And he has started it, Kufo has started with the capitation grant and all, and he has gotten to free secondary school now. Now what are we seeing? Are you want to be better off to attend a secondary school under a 3 as I'm talking to you now, than not to attend at all?
Menya no so Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye DST ye da se omre no wadaje a wode emma ye de edu so no de obonkrata no ewo ho sanso na agudie mu ensem erikese du bodi ayakrado ayede eto so na fin honorable honorable ni nyamai Jordan JP Bismarck akwasinsianso ayakrado yet was so nti mema papa bia no pay memo mo ache mo kwa be
afia joso
ye joso
na bibia boko de
nyame atom bibia fine
ye de nyame ase se no amu
se no am se e bia sorry na ye prophetess
na we obi ya yi ba kwa
yeah se share se ka watwitwa video na ye security
ani no kuro
share apeke
se prophetess wo pio Adom TV
kama na is no twa za say 1-0 3-0 na kosa they say prediction you remember how be sound
so ya de nyame ase ye nya ya win This all my way near. We move.
I am sharing na wo.
Na
no. Last us no one top of the.
Asemo and who ye no omo be share can you. And what share can so no I relax at a point. Bo ho na nkofo na fa no ma be. But all the same.
E be na say oto nyade tinka. Oto nkonin. But ya all boko dem say.
Eric, you see, ya no more issue kakra so yes. Coach and the direction of play.
Yeah.
But to the be ensu nyim say players no so consult bebre now so mo so akasa adwen ye o de bobo. Players be na Black Stars ekita enti eme ye ka chen say oto adonya ade. Players say no man Ghana ye invest wo mo e ball no mo bonimu. De enti me akasa we dey titi play bi pa te say Messi.
Yeah.
Ya titi play bi pa te say Ronaldo. Your man na what so and nda so eno no.
Yeah.
You can talk of the Abedi Pele's
and all the creatures are the Abema wo ya in table.
So, I say, because say currently
I get you.
Why na ye invest or more as on mine because as I say, if you are born there on mine you, acquisition or Chelsea, Eric Ewo Arsenal. As no be information what bo be on. So, and as no be also me team on no almost so able.
Yeah.
So as on mine, your investment.
Well, unfortunately, Sana etie. Sana be free from a bani on my boba. On my bar. On our coach. Tini afford mo mouse car. I'm the president to Ukraine be. Na essentially said that.
And request for you $50,000.
Hey, OJ. Or she said said that. Now she said that. Now she ba ku could be out against Mali. Now the pa I am. Sorry, we didn't bonus.
Black Stars no mu didi. Na me sa
se bi ese omadwuma mo yoka so mu didi a.
Oh papa.
Omadwuma no.
We na we yes for me time but the point is as a bibia you focus na your Black Stars. Omo so kwa na e born tro kan. Me nkan no ade no but sa other play team no so you pay attention the way we are pay attention
like
to.
Under 20 women's team.
Sa anka sisi anka ye benya ye betimi scout krampo bebre fifiri ho. Ye do mo akwa ho but bibia your attention nyina Black Stars. I think for me I say amateur mu de bia ba nti no omo bo omo mo.
Yeah, they and because the fear can say and Andrea you ne Jordan money Ajme but no free under 20.
Yeah.
And on buy or make it away. So maybe you need to say how are we building your players?
Yeah.
See bedu from a home one.
Yet hwe we bu no. Sa na other bodies so ye hwe wo mo sa. E ma yi say grade o mo ye mfa nya hwe.
Enka the
competition out to na e wi. Edu Black Stars. You be just no aba be jejina ha. So edu me ya. Me aye di me be kwanya so mo na ekọ manim.
Sure.
Ya munya sa de.
Prophetess ka de wa kan di enka ye pa ba te cash cow no. Black Stars. Enti we no dey be fia bu okra sponsorship ba Black Stars na ya tete bi e
so say. Because ya neglect you in a way. Sa na me ka no. But say nyina hu aye te say wa wo ba agya no wa wo ma. Sa wo ya wo say wo te like who mo focus akode e bi o hu ne so ya de wan no krampo na da chi bi wo hwe no kra wo hu enti ye nyina wo tete ye mpe na wo ye nyina ye pa we move
almost
definitely ye wo
okay any product pa de and on the Ghana Premier League and also na anwen say but this weekend
they shall okay so ye bia ye pay attention ye pe bia ye be they say ye ni bia bre enkrofo person o mko US nti ne ye
project
me see World Cup with the Black Stars and qualifier o ga for me egu no
mama botre mama
local league wo ko go so wo ko agia
enti
mo kind na no mo ko ma so ko boy
yeah
play supporters come on passport call you obviously went
national project enti na nra na kofo ni abres national enti ye shewe no o te chance na o stadium o say USA na hold the well, eti kwasi be kwa na me kwa me go kwasi ni atu te ma kwasi ni my phone but na go kwasi brofudi no Bismarck
or the Jordan JP so I could dware esubonti Jordan mu aba suban no
I was amazed
just when we come na nyame te so
Jordan yeah no kwa me di wo
akwasi body kwaso
I'm say I am watching as I'm kwa ba yento aso agudi nsemo sam ne toss dey say fata south yen fata aso e obedwam so maka cho say sabredi e koye so corporate sports na de bro yes bedwam we can see now and of course and match sa wodo koso nya Ghana pen boy across Europe. There were games so on a very, very interesting part. And yes, some kid on our screen. You better send a city about a Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fee Franco appliances. Omodiaba phone papa Omodiaba Mansan Cabina Bibi and Timin Koye. Open a papa. The catch a papa a Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, of course, impulse about measure post in a drudo. Boyareno, or their Boyareno. A boost to immune system. Immune system, no. I know now a what body didn't wear coutier where we are. This is our boost to know. Who did there? Nothing there. Or boost to up, maybe at a group create a beat my that. Impulse, okay, one of payna. That is some idea, bro. Member 1,000 Ghana cities. Start 281 hash and I'm a chair 1,000, I'm a chair 1,000. Fagusuna Mimoska. Yes, 1,000. If we can buy a red water, Black Stars, Booby, Abiana better do. But a better new Ukraine Kakaunia and Nesso Diana can boy 1,000. If you say here now to acquire Adom TV, so me answer here Wucha, now the Kakrego. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20. Now the Biaka 120, now 150, now Queen inside the big good 1,000. No, Eddie go but one pay. Padibu Chemi producer, Kejuan Cassani Erica City on the 13th of September. French is September. Akato Nebro, near Benada, Ochna Wukoda, Yawa de Feeder, Memendanopa, Kinkring Su. You share the forecourt of multimedia. Na Shasie, Kikira Copieda, Accra Sports Stadium. How do you call you? At Shana Sosa, FMA, and can ATTC, they say, no, you call Accra Sports Stadium. That's a protest album. O mine, Kwabana Sante, SN Bofu, who are ATTC a shot in the got Accra Sports Stadium. That's what the chief of staff so say, you found Accra Sports Stadium. No multimedia Tompo. So, you know, you copy Accra Sports Stadium, but how do you be aerobics? I hold on the idea, how bad the panel. But you have fish results a course across Europe and Nafi Africa. You know, on our screen, you send you a see a call. Yes, Italy. Gennaro Gattuso's second game in charge of Italy, or Israel by 5 goals to 4 goals. A PM 9 goals now. Italy, my Israel, goals, baby, go at say, boy. Croatia, Montenegro by 4 goals to 0, and Gibraltar at the Faroe Islands. Ebono, a car, a back one to me, Auntie, as the aquarium now. You're interested in other results, so a see a call, yeah. Now you have senior qualification. Asia Konebia qualify for Azerbaijan and Ukraine, and a day bebo and then France, the Iceland, and so they are born Armenia and Republic of Ireland. Now face to Portugal, and so aqua way to Hungary, Bosnia, and Austria, now Cyprus, in Romania, and so at the abo any international South Norway, and in Moldova, Albania, and in Latvia, Serbia, and in England. Muda and then Pitch way and it's an officials no AC in the qualifiers. Yeah, any man me boom one qualified in Africa apart from Tunisia or other countries are qualified kono be morning na one said on some AC at but yamra Ghana dear. Yes. And now the Accra Sports Stadium, Ghana Jan Super Mali by goal to nil. Alexander Jiku, the ball that only goal for Ghana. You Kumia to Miemwa Fe. It's only 3 points in here. You and J Keto Kreku and then a vice. Now face the Minister for Youth and Sports. And I said Minister for Sports and Recreation, I should say, Kofi Adams. And Nija never Accra Sports Stadium now what day. You go Puma Accra Sports Stadium where send a match in the Sequoia. Well, I know the course so the Ghana game, China so ball. Mali by go to nil, but after the game, Ghanaians are talking. You fans be Kasai or Marvin Sheni.
The right idea. Coach Nuna say can't want to be trained. Say Panacho, more fire come and diagrosa. Or call away no, you go win. But wabe the SU fans no, Oma bomode so back in their numbers. Omo provide the win no that
on top of the table ne de Rebecca say anisa ye be kwa boy ho na for the remaining games e we say Ghana be to me edi enkoni but yeah boy press and it me win but so far so good yes me win akra aka ye boy say they trust me na kan be there omo ya de omo nya de ye very same omo fire ko US no omo de adu o na say omo be fia na omo aba ba ye de be ka o wa tumpeni for football facilities you have good facilities you be good to am ball and omo nja coach ni mani na aduma na coach we dey o to them why dem ka coach obetumi aye selection papa e bon pa say next match e betumi papa 50 points and now yeah boy a home match na they win na qualify we just be qualify be qualify go ready there odidi oni dey be qualify.
Wow, so yeah, now Coach Otoado and their head coach Adoma Black Stars after the game, 1978.
So this is football. Sometimes you have to switch the tactics. I knew that they needed to win, so we played a little bit more defensively, and we had good headers in our team because we had 3 tall defenders. And at the end, this is his opinion. It's okay, I understand. And I had my tactics, or we had our tactics, and we decided well, I think, because what's most important is the 3 points, and we got it, and that's fine. I think it's difficult to talk about each game. The last window we scored like 8 goals. I think it was okay, but we can't expect it all the time. So I hope that the players who missed the chances, they really think the most about it and regret that they didn't use the chances. But it's all about learning, improving, and adapting always to the circumstances.
Right, Otuado, Nensabono. Now on top of the table, Ghana 19 points, Madagascar was 16 points, and Comoros was 15, Mali at also 9 or 12 points, and Central African Republic was 5, Chad was 1, and no Chad Koto tried the against Madagascar. Madagascar bet show no more 3. And I'm Ghana for no more power money that okay on our screen the table. 19, 16, 15, 12. Ghana 2 more games to go, and in October. You have any games in the Central African Republic versus Ghana, then Ghana versus Comoros. Yes, the next 2 games. The last game will be against Comoros at Accra Sports Stadium. It's in Pacho 19 in here. 6 more points to go. You have 3 and I count the other second. Yes, I know I did. Any so we just need a win. In our next 2 games, then we are through. Central African Republic and Comoros back on the home team. If you see the Comoros, Mamma air off and don't be with it. I didn't qualify. Just say passport. Your passport's ready when the USA here we come. You need brave, but what do you come Mexico and pay? Canada, US no. So. Franco Training Enterprise can one of pay sounds on impost help out. Shut up. Ya can't sound on the entry the other fish say cost in Africa. Ya Ghana pay the ball in Ra because Makacha Madagascar about Chad by 3 goals to 1. But entry other fish say car for the name and say one someone so is the results and fixtures. Yes. Djibouti, Guinea-Bissau, Libya, Eswatini, and of course there was Zambia, Morocco, born Cameroon, Mozambique, Botswana, and Guinea, Algeria. Wow, game waste California, pop, that's Algeria. When Guinea, went to Guinea. Boy. Now you heard the fixtures on our screens to see a few young Nemo, and there was Mozambique, Botswana. Guinea, Algeria, America, Uganda, about Somalia by 2 goals to 0. Equatorial Guinea, Tunisia, Gabon 1. Tunisia qualified for the World Cup. Malawi and then Liberia about 2-2. Now, and there's Niger away to Tanzania, Kenya, Seychelles, Gabon, Ivory Coast. Gambia, Burundi, Namibia, Sao Tome, and Principe. We need some officials no city here. Our Africa to Musa Nemu Beding. They can't catch away Ghana. They don't send a fish to the city. Chad Koto, the Kanye Cast and Vimaba. And I'm going to trade. Ghana, we need 1-0. That is Ghana's group. But they can't have group, no. And so they are sure one will send here. Standards no see it here. America, here we come. 2 games I can just see it now. Emma Central African Republic be saying. Emma Comoros saying. Na Madagascar mo shefa ho kodia. Well. But no doubt so there. In case yes, so nyade but any nka unyade kura yes. On the 13th of September. Yebeye work. Meka ho asem sisi abatche ne so mame. Se me ma osika ansa na makọ 1,000 Ghana cedis. *281#. Select Adom TV. Yebisa sa he na wutwa. O say me twa 100, me twa 200, me twa 250, me ma 1,000 and nano pay e go bottom. When say me ba Chad here, some 1,000 na bibia ti me so ma onsan kan phone sisi me aso se na hwe patro e frost wa no afa bo awudi ni e fro na won fa sai hadwen pa mo bia hu se we diska easy wala easy. The chief of staff is coming Saturday. It is going to be fireworks. The chief of staff
also in a friend sedentary life also in out for commodity now to air condition who got a broker and oti cam ya na ye nin koso say sa ne money nyina account na massive uses in yarwa be brado so manager bebree say monso ade mo ye na munkoso modero no say Ghana fo nyina say bio enkase tumrika ya na umuedu a utumrika na okotodwe ni waposo ha adwen ba wonanti keke wonanti saa na anopapa so ta na je ya na ye pa wo say ewie mu enye so ogujina lor ko bia ka beti ba wonjam ba bia say enue bia se kakra na wonamo a ti moya de we mani age ho ye ba be nanti bi magina so atom nsafre enuanum ni adofo nyina obi a wote mene sebio omoa na se edwumakuo edwumampanifo edwadifo ye maamenom ne ye papa no nyina ya obi a matwa no kakra efe kra se wonnam ne bia wadamfo bia hu na che na ne na kosia ni nyina ne ye de asempa walk with the stars ni ye de anti madaro ma em say ade papa ejina ban dem jina president nem eboma baso ni ade amudi esimani so no
Media and Priscilla Anaman, the host of Travel and Leisure segment of Adom TV. So I will him race the traveler back up on the 13th of September. Yeah, Tunza from BBS on Bekaya ATTC. I will come blame. They any count on the say, yes, meeting up. Bekan celebrities, a buku drama, only mom, your muchasini, your mutsonyo, any account brand, multimedia presenters, said the Oye TV, and I said radio, Asempa, all talk, all day, Adom TV, yeah, what, it is shine, ATT. Hey yo, I'm the guy who never lost in town. 5 days in prison, no food, no water. If you see me in town, jogging with the girls, call me Professor Ike Wallace. Ebusia, Nyamiya Adoma, Asempa 94.7 FM. Yeah, they told Sadia Fred, Ghana for Ninada, Baby Bia will be a Asempa FM Walk with the Stars. 13th of September 2025. Bibia Mechoma, Ewa Asempa FM. Joy, a dank and see him and the Yashas na yakwa kone na ma ne dia bepim ATTC I want you to data na fe de aerobics etia tentam so na fe wi a yasa ache nuane akese ne nketo ne atue sa di Asampa FM Walk with the Stars afi I the sin babia Ebusia for Musonko Patima Kunkumni may talk from on the 13th of September. Ewo ATTC, Eya Asempa Walk with the Stars. Brani and Nantim Bom upon within the Hiapa. Ye Nanti Abomuno, near Shijama Bom, near Tonyum, near Pom with the day, Nitsini. Adom TV, Asempa, see all talk, all day. Yawazo Yampa, Intimushia,
Tina Soloku, the between Soloku. Come and let's Solokulize, okay? Yes. Now, me call now. Me draw and sana me call back. And sana me draw no for a 2 audio. Star 281 # select Adom TV Mama Kaka. These are the qualified teams that have qualified for the World Cup. Yes, omodi omako down by be transfer Mama Kaka. Canada a host, USA host, Mexico host. Omodi among count papa. Argentina qualified from South America, Brazil so qualified, Ecuador qualified, Uruguay qualified, Colombia qualified, Paraguay qualified, Morocco qualified from Africa, Tunisia qualified from Africa, Japan, Iran, Uzbekistan, South Korea, Jordan, Australia, New Zealand. Take a group yenya, kamuma Iran, namuma Uzbekistan, namuma Jordan. Kamuma nubi. Ekebe fine pa. Mama draw na fame because see minum star 281 # select Adom TV mama Oscar 1000 ya go botom pacho me roll na mo be 1000 Ghana cedis fa go ne botom sisi at 1000 kakra wom wetim de na ma bebre na no me ye am kwa mo me shocks hey mo je me 1000 ade kakra kra san account ki isa ka me wini a na me da ho ka ba kro de akwaje me shocks a che se mo de ba ye kra ma san akosa san ade hey wo I say me lower arm ambush say hey now start to 81 actually you make 1000 5 4 3 2 1 who wins it yanko why na win 1000 no panya yasu boom banyan 02408885 something 02408885 something congratulations winning sabegu ana abegu so no yes what is carry go bottom why are there papa you can say twa wadi unya twanko ade a obedi anopa yama 1000 era se so hwe anopa pacho Franco Trading Enterprise. The number 024 642 2338 024 642-2338 and 055-593-9311 and know your Franco for a number. In boost about make sure no matter the sickness we can diabetes, body pains, diabetes, ulcer, cancer, hypertension, in boost in a EDF. Thank you so much, and I pay. Now you have to be a winner, not by winner. No, I have something which is the word. Hello, good morning, congratulations. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, congratulations, oh.
Congratulations, oh.
Oh, mommy, congratulations. Okay, oh, congratulations, oh, congratulations. Now, try saying.
You trying to tell you trying to tell check man, is what I mean to check you.
How to check the table?
You try to 10-5 for them.
Wow. Now, first time I win be on.
With that chat with that and
oh.
And I'm trying.
And I will like a sign it. One was that no believe no labalaba. Wow, wow. What now? Why now? Hey.
But I'm over the
Brekum. Now plans this 1,000 I bet to move.
But
now so plans in the same.
Maybe some man boost now on work for school.
Say a B school. Why are there? Because what Adom TV now? Echa aye siko sikawati. Nyaza emuda okroje. Why? Fantastic. You win no. And of course. Mejamo diama afiane kwesi Bismarck. Now. Kejua kasa ni Erica City. Bra Bismarck.
Kejua. It's Saturday.
Yes.
Ejinemu.
Abba. What photo no?
Oh, somebody because me tackle jogging na me call gym for me exercise need to know.
Hey,
no, so be jet in your video ho na the way. Video evidence. Oh.
Wa ko dware nsuo jo da mu abada so twato.
Afie me ntwa ntro video ho.
Video dia ba ho. Na be hwe na ese na nse ma boni jasa na akọ record.
Sembe kosi.
Koda.
Wow.
Saturday dia e wa haya we dey nya ibia.
Na ma se o man ne se o be nantere.
O se atwum kakra na fa kwa class post stadium man.
Keju abon country o man ne se me se o team ye start e de ko wi a memma HR me salary Kennedy Agyapong. So my team here started from point 1. E ko see point 2. Mo ma back. Enye na mehwe. We don't start from point 1. No ko wie. Me dem salary Kennedy Agyapong.
There he salary ni the whole
so many dey ni
na me dem Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my me so wa wo hwe.
So timi ya. Oh my hwe timi ya.
Na ayi Kaswa Beyonce. Record ho yi dem fan send you my ohu. Na evidence base. If you no ma wan we adu ase wadaroma. Said you also ne you already lost the brandum ne Kennedy Agyapong ne already dunketia move free ayi Accra Mall for end of motorway. We dey kwesi wa to so bra we say ha
from Kokomlemle to
Accra Sports Stadium wadaroma we dey mu omre papa we adu ase wadaroma.
Hallelujah.
Ma tamfu anu ne titiri no kwesi.
Over to you.
That's say. Tino ma yensan enchia obia na ma obia kwa badwumade ne ya hyase 5:30 Badwam. Nti Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotego ba wo be hye yem kran. Owie ye ne ye di news no eba ya. Ye de agudie mu nsem ato so ya Erikasi Edubuadi a che obi 1000 Ghana ya. Ya body the bonkrata any Adom online stories no so that radio for 97.1 ya mamu nyina kwa aba ya da mu ase papa ne obia wajebre hweye me Jordan JP Bismarck akwasinsia ejina ye na so ano pay bim meza mu akwa be
avia mamsa nyoso
nti adwuma na wo ye no koso ana ye
medase
na bo hye de hwese wo hye bo a obedi so
afia me de
yo anya wo de me evidence bi antu de
afia na fo afa wo akra ho evidence
e wo de ho
na no birthday
Adia
oh da bi ya na
be buti mani mai jusika mi e kwa jusika sika fia wo ya betena e sa na no birthday kofo de ye wo ma me ye ase de invest me body na o mahu level kwasisi apa wo ya me de wa de no e mo so da praza o birthday because me birthday there wo kan obi imagine like kwasim pacho very you the man me kura top kura enu is top no
oh
enu nti me ye birthday bia me mo bi nka se na kwasi ye but kitwa bi ensha nti na masom dada nti mfa we me gya wa
mo na mfa ma biem
oh mo pesa mo dia me sa de bon kwasi ye aye Me kwa
okay kwa Adom online na
adomonline.com enra akwai na eje ye jiku
yo oh
one new project no I say no me catch na me drop bi o Instagram o hwe mpa Henry nyame hira no me say wo hwe me ka say wo hwe
oh nice
enra nyumra me da ho no asende dia ma me say fia asem na wo ka ye no na abamu o hwe enkwa Badwam papa na me sure say o hwe enkwa hia so enti Henry baby o wo bia ye chia ye da se papa so o je brema ye enti enra ye ne mali no one no but enye one go project ni bi da bi your next move ne be say at least 2 bi de e benya akeka aka ho ye nyire ye ho na munim say ye bob man kabo mo ba ti mutete hwesa ya na hadwin ti badwamonline.com a e wa ha say na abronye's whereabout unknown lawyer na e ka say ye see hu baby abronye wo ai ti badwamonline.com a no so e wa ha akwasi na a teacher for ya post wo mu sesei wo so mo ba be ye demo ye ntu a wo mo ka Tuba adomonline.com was newly posted teachers threatening massive demo over unpaid salaries. Inti no so ehun asem ewa aha. Ora Rekaje osi no kura bi animu say ehunu ba bi a abronye nam bia da bi say no ehun say oba Badwam pensem so eno ana combination no na e fine but as a man tigidi bia omu nyina comporte wo ho
but for disappointed crofo
seriously because me who at work and I'm say hey for man current share say you obi be bo bi to just but it was cool who say maturity no was on point nti nyame share to ba adomonline.com and also our system allegations are news to me Akpalu's lawyer on bail release efforts. Say allegations bi ho no ma so no akwa na foforo no won
say ya to go fi Akpalu
ya no wanwa
and 6 days so
that's 10 bill near say
10 million cedis.
Wow.
100 billion.
Billion no kra na aka. And it will be okay say when ya na physical cash o ajapade bi
na Akpalu sika physical cash
na incoming president. No I'm saying incoming president. And 10 million. Some project in Niama why mum me will be ankamako belly. Not 10 million
Ghana cedis.
I'm wording to also the move. Last week, Wednesday was a Thursday.
Actually, yeah. In 1 week, no okay.
And I know do be anka.
Ko kan se remunacha won so amani bail. Na ka so meet condition.
No.
To meet condition there so the but you see, yeah so. And now no chapter wale do ultimate so from 10 million to 5 million. We don't want to believe say amount for be ye dey ho no nti e na ade yem hie ete so. Si ete so ne be ye ya. Kofi apalo, yente so fama no. Na too much. Too much. Because if you dear gross as 10 million say can was no. Would you go so it me a trap ma wa baba masa be you know.
Yes.
Afini baby say unya japade worth 10 million cedis no away. Kwa be na afa so nya kroma so nyina nim say kwa fa so nya japade ensem mebre. So and I told them yeah say man phone bi o but me di kwin. E bi no me na na bi kwa de ade nja me nkrata ani ho. Ya be ka say ni okọ bia. Ya be jefris. Tie na nya nto a nya ntwia. No tin be. Tie be sere mu na cha. Anodi. Some of your bail conditions, no. Yeah, na anodi. Also consider them maybe. Also consider them maybe na anodi dodo.
Ento aso.
If you fact the wakata ento aso na, yeah the daily guide the wakata and na e share asiam. Or see Azuma Ghana rejects GNP takeover report.
Eti asem.
Black
na me no kwasi even before be ba bonten no say na me I think say bia omodi nkoma wie bibia nsa na aba
afi asem we die asem we die enu akata pie ni pictures no ade ade nyina abase se ya wie kura ne sa
afi ade achi ya
afi enu anya krata asa nam se Azuma penfo so mo nyi obi anko bibia se ya jare bibia de ama Ibrahim Ahmad Najmekum ECG demands 225% tariff increase
na we paper ben
we daily guide
okay
ECG and in krata akwa PRC say yenton kania bom 225%.
Amune de bia yenton kania bom de bia na wana si atu yaketu
100%.
De bia yetum de bia yetum kwasi asem amodi o
anodi o bia
de bia yetum no
anodi
mi wa kania ni ade je nti de bia yetum na say this year so matum
yatum yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm on consider it. I'm not deal. What are you from Nasa? What are you from Nasa?
I'm not deal.
And see, can I And I want to move 1 300. I do 200.
225%. They will say nya dey appear as ni nyina man but the great attraction and tumuno yes. Enyo bibi. Enyo bibi.
We mobo wate na no odin. Adia baby a wo mo dede ka mu nkwana mo kwagigi sika na sika.
Why din?
Ana nketwa ya na mo nam yeso saa yesrebo.
Ye be 20.
Oh,
muhimfu yeso saa.
Because obi ampesumu ana kese moja wo mo air condition na esiso ya pon kra ye numu no na ne masisi so saa na eja no ho edede ka
companies akese fia edika wo man we mu abanyumaku adi ECG ka e wo man mu
samosomo jeje ni nyina nti nka mbaba ba ye increment bi ka mo nya da yesra mo ko jeje na se bi mo hyase this year ye hye wo ya na ho na mu saa ye suba bi wo ho a ase ye nya ayi no fufura ye suba nko ye betra ati se o de min yusu sa ade no say yesra mo start ya mo nwie mo start gidigidi ye hu se mo disconnect ministries binum ni ade
afen mo matiada
uwie wo sa se o pay
no aba betum na e ka na wonum no e da so da ho because ye na ye betwa ni ntino na be ye mo sum degree so if you are dedicated sad about the abronye mfoni aba or see please arrest abronye DC. You say abronye na de no come police for okodum di ko wie no mka chensa afede ya chill. You are under arrest for causing the peace of Ghana. And we see newly posted teachers for the work and wasem dada. Address as a mankasi dispute abrade akwamu chief say basa yen mentim wase ekoso as a mankasi no empanifo hwe na ontimi ensia no ekwan daily guide and anyway ba anope daily graphic the work time and so eniem Black Stars on course for World Cup. Jiku and Mali's dream. Timale in the soon say, Obesu World Cup no. I'm fine.
They say, yeah, you are Omunko.
I'm okay.
And Tem.
I'm to Omunko. Kwa no bokwa and the 3 years on, appears livelihoods remain shattered. New buildings, street height, empty promises, idling funds. Appears a man from continent more said, Dio Nefia, and you say Temsa. Now that's baby.
We de na nka nwura mu ko ne nsuo ne awia moso ansɛ no e wo sɛ ne aka bia mu mi ade ne ntimi anya ade ante yɛ nsɛmfiri mu
na man fon ko yentimi emmo campaign no da bia sa
o ba nyankopɔn so ne hu so de awurafie bata nipa ho hwɛ ne sa asɛm wo yɛ ka na yɛ ka ne sa sa asɛm wo
apiate explosion
rade nya obi a retete titu enwisia ne nyanka
mu gye omo akire
Monka fra wate na ye ni refi nanso minim se wo ben wona de ade achi bia wo kai
obekai
erade nya mo bambofo no nya mo rechechefo anu odin monka fra pa na kwase unwie
na fa the Ghanaian Times enso emra ayesu start factory no empen force se asi wa che yenko ne man ko ye adwuma ayesu start factory ayesu start factory commander in the sumwe ayesu start factory in the sumwe and on the tomato the factory and it say when it say
yeah ni kwase ye sori kura bo nyame so bo a minute
yes ye ni blueprint bi a dey manage your mind
ayi a wo kan ye USA dey almost say mind e wo say etimi Kenya ye
o so bo sia bo kura kwa game maybe
ye niam nyina ye hyehyɛ because ye de nyame ehira ye ndodo ni ye nya de sira ye nhunu ye value ye niam na ye wo no o say ye sorry ni wo bia ye nsom ye factory ahodo ye abubo obosu say ya sorry Kenya mu a Kenya ni ba kwasi anso na abeto so de ntira na mebusa so wa wie no wa news na ye na no pay 800,000 people may or will die or 8 districts and districts na me number na district was central region nyina ne say yes river ayensu almost say no from so why you drink galamsey etiama sa on say sankenso ho odin omu yensu no a ayensu no omu komu na ja omu akwakosa nso enne
omne galamsey na concern
tutie vox pop no ne ade share kasa na pure water na me bisa say na even pure water no ayensu ne wo sa ewia ni mu no wa ne yafa na omu di nruo so you can imagine the number of nruo what would you wa atie abema yetumi enom and ideally our quantity beer womo e wo so womo de gu nsuo ni mu na nsuo esanse nsuo ni nyenti no womo fama no broso ti no bewie Holy Heart nkuwa kra wonim hwe afi ne de ne ba wiase yes wanya Holy Heart yare kwa na eba.
To me this is painful, but we need to say it. The people in our mining areas na Galamsey, they deserve all this. If they deserve it. Sheyemi say we say Galamsey Shasien. How many of our mining communities and mebu na sorry aye oye chire etia saden?
Say one omu didi.
That is it. It is painful, but they need to take it. Because
Galamsey no kwesi enye nne na asase o. But say see a baby a one mu didi kono na abema ye problem. Na Galamsey de kwesi me nya sure say me no mienu ye nananom mre so kwa no.
Omo na ye kan. Oba tiny nimpefe say ne ba ne kotu Galamsey okosensu. Oba tan ko na abesa friends and trefors mo for microphones na me kan say aban say yensu say. How can we eat our cake and still have it? And Central Region is not the first time. Ghana water for Bokoko. I think last year. As a Central Western region, baby I can and she bedroom maybe no. Because stability level no attraction.
Serious.
Almost so ni fine no. If you attraction. One na essay no. Kroma phone him say aho abagim. And yes say yensu. One kasa and I'm trying to din. Some sorrow aban pen for so. And I'm working some yo yechra. Maybe can be better. But because maybe be a be air benefiting to no. Obia can not. But I am Kayasu I think and me and catches as ye and free more.
Ah, ne kwa the eba na for.
E se we tifi. Eti na wa dwon se wa ba wo so timi e kagalam se asem a e boboba.
Give phone lines na emre na so we.
Mama nwe the worker na ja. Eti ayesu start for today no.
03022117017027037037040302211701703 704 so bra na fa de bra.
The Daily Dispatch. Also, we cannot continue to spend $15 million a year on renting for our diplomatic use. President Mahama can say.
Yes.
Ti o say Oko Ghana embassy na wo amano na. Eda mebre on my high.
Sa
rent. And by say $50 million go afibia de anode. O say pen po masibre. Si e beto a ni ato. Ne o say ya ni ato ejapade.
Tu okwa oba bikwa oba betrem sa na
e no say de bia o twa rent de bia.
Rent tua na no odi o. Rent tua.
Rent nye de bi o.
Na nye de bi kra yan so ye de so say mo ya. Say bam. Anu odi. Sa wo han dan pa nkran ha. Nkran ha. Bosume. Obi tua 3k 4k. Bosume. I'm say wow. Bianco ya no pay ya mwache mwakwaba.
Na ba mejo so na metia wono nyini akosinsia nyina na.
Ejo so.
Metia na anyofu na megidi se Galamsey ho aseni. Me metim di mikru ndo man kru na najmo mbodu odi ya sia de yo. Ne die ayom fanto me ka se ikuru o fi okwo Dr. Puni Krumbo. An fuminu ba ko je se omuntu ba ko so wonje ana ye frɛ nana ofinka ko ye. Obo here ba ko na wanye ntunu. Obwana baso china mana kunya ama yesisam fidie ni nako bebrejase timigiri se Galamsey wo asem ne de sa hemfu ne de o mana sifati se minia kosinsi aka se awofo gituma boa ebeboa kwa no yehwe minia opalu asemia ikakasi ayada to so ya hwe ni ye bedu gbabi no ye keka $1 so de be serem pimpo so bi ye bone a ye twena so se de be ye basika awu kan hwan na be twini gi se okopia na mebo abroye baso se enura onu akasa nante koye ko kire ni nsimu ikisa na ye hwehwe ye be serem pimpo se 2 minutes ya momo wo hwe ne momo yi anope ya amanfo mo kire mo nti ye hwe ne deliver the TCP ye tue tempia ye pia so my fuck kase dika ye wo hono ye kuta efende parliament onu mo pia iki ye be sere se omonye no munyama ye ho me kakra
ya se Sambe oso, sambe anope ye mwache emu akwaba.
Mejo so meni aba pache te sei.
Ya mi adom ye nkwande edase.
Yo, abetifi fu nyina se wuchia woni kwasinsia ene komando anope.
Ejo so.
Yo, efia onim se wo ene kwasinsia no man komna santima di mo ho ya kakra.
Yes.
Binti amedi mo ho ya se mo ka onabo bran champon campaign tim.
from Kokomembe to Asaram down, Eben. Near Kopeke form. Mumu be current many Anko Buanko Peke forming. I'm a name Kopeke for me. If I compare ye womb, most of the party in my power you, or renews my chipos, a mamma was saying, Papa saying,
Papa, yada say, of a flower so. Made off one pay. Yam watching more quaba. Made off for your chow.
Oh, me so.
Yada say, Papa, now for if you pay.
But the free dear so.
Dear so, yeah. Mo yenta odi yenta nto nka yada so afraid ne.
Me ADK Ankra. Original man.
Yo. Original.
You. Na dem say ye kan ye bohu de we ya ka. Aban onu kwa wa timi ya hwi o. Den ye community for no a se ya so mu anya. Yeah. Hey, obi free baby no obi tuya. Oba nye Kumu anotie. Efie notie. Ni efie no wo. Say ya so see yam prima ga say makuma. Ga so timi ma ho.
No correct.
Ka ba wo tin kran yo. No atwe kata mo bi say ko aha na ko tu ga mi say. No ba o di paper ba kire wo hina ya tu. Ehe no go tu no. Ko bi asati ba no sin kran ba e. Yeah. Ye ni asati no be say. Ndi me say wo man no ye wo you kumu no. Yenina pinti ya ti galamse ya mano ma. No man ga ko tubiaji. E be do si anu kwa.
That's original. Yada saka one ye in last scholar. Me do for no pay ye mo ache mo akwaba.
Sister Fiapman kwata macro. Oni Mr. St. John's boy. Come on.
Akwasi sia.
Yes. Mijane saka wana midrimu hiya mekasa free acting tegwa amanfi west. Wadafu bi a friend Makoman also chia pa classmate.
Ya jene so.
You mini akaka make say. Blasta team no enye you. Enwe pa ye Sibo. Hey, Sibo brothers. Hey. Sibo. When they abandoned Wakati, but me the Kakame can say, coach me there, old me and go wet up. Eh, I could see one prophet woman, Ujao, and now kind of them. Sir, you could my friend Papa, on a book of fancy. Okay.
Yada munina say, and him no be was so fache. But now kwa ho do ho a ye beto aso kwasi wa wie na
say maybe e bo kata na I say there be kakrebe catalyst ne okay it's Yakopon yard watch na for the first time in the second coming of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Oshia Ghana Samtwefo
okay
na open ho up
sir
e dia ma Ghana this year say you say open asma ka kire nyame a okagu from them
sir
ene ebia want to free Ghana for na afre eti mampani to ne sade afre yen siemra ensema mo ke ye bi yenku bisa no si oba ye abosumi ngotwe ne nkrumu ne ewuran ne jehye ede fa galamse ede fa $3 ede fa nkane ho nsem ede fa nsu ho nsem ede fa yadada asetene ho nsem etesen ti weni nkomo a ochina yene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eko akwakodi ewo Jubilee House na the catalyst ebomu amaniem no sacred cows under ora fifi kwete once against shadow looters tendo fifi kwete so the assembly to just say NDC aban emu penfo bi na ayo osi akwanti ama yentimi prosecute na Akufo-Addo appointees omudi omane bone
asem
on si oso omo e kate this tie ne afia obo omane ka say $2 million uti man $500,000 a ni nyina to betwa
ya boka
and waka sa so omudi na ebom pani due matemante sa obom kokko eduru me bi na so mo kana se enfom no mo nyina di beba bonten na Ghana fo ni pa bonefo amampani Mahama ama omutumi so omboa na aban ti the catalyst e de dem say we the wa nipa de the overseer
nipa de
okay chuku
okay
chuku NDC grassroots celebrate NSA boss reassignment. You see NDC grassroots
na Felix Adia why
National Service Authority boss
Felix Jenfi
man pede yi na free ho na also on Ministry of Finance na offer the ordin deputy abeye main boss Rusedo
or the one okay
this see and this for the judge
ade
but minimo
why kwasi enfensi na mrena so ya da se papa umre no wadaje a wode ma ye kwaba health tips no to so wiki mu nyina hepatitis ne kasa fa ho mesro nyim free ha na tie bi 5 minutes ye nche tie bi bra ye kwaba ya mo kwaba na so Adom TV Badwam health tips so medi de afia amankwa tamaklo endpoint homeopathic clinic won madaroma eda yenya enkomo atiseye zeria nurse for ne doctor for omo ya de say ka we say we konya doctor we just a consulting room then so enne omo mo yemfiefie yen offices ahodo omo my free consultation asade the number not to sefre no bibi kire wadwan ti ade na wo DC fa no number no na frɛ no na wotwe mu Dr. Duboate na tie adwom a oni ye fa hepatitis no emu no ka ne nyina abɔ no tofa ene ye to so na ya hwɛ symptoms no se ba wo so ade na obehu na fa atumi aboa ye dog ye na se ye mo akwa aba pa hepatitis no eba be de mehu
yo medanse hepatitis ya de ba akwa se de no a mesi chechire mu no ye se inflammation of the liver na hepatitis ya de a ye kan yade a misuro wi ase pa ba ko a hepatitis if say yade etimi se brebo wo he brebo no a it function no ne dwumadi edi wo honamdua nim is over 500 detoxification and then the store food nutrient we di nnuani bi amana bro so fat udi fat ne bro so a brebo no store e wo ni widie nim as bibi efen say fatty acid udi nnuani protein food ne bro so a na brebo na store bi as bibi e kan say amino acid udi nnuani te say carbohydrate ne bro so a brebo no na store bibi as bibi efen say glycogen eti hunamdua no kwa hohiahia mu a ti no bitimi ye fasting 30 days 40 days was mini di no ogina ho if say brebo no asto nnuani bebre enti se wonhia tama nnuani no wobehia no na ewilizi ema honamdua no vitamins bebre ho minerals bebre ho vitamin A eye B chese sa no nyina store ekuro bibi twa wo honam dua na se moja na eba de bema moja na twa brebo no ene ede eboa ewilizi bibi efense protein bia etima clot moja na moja no ada di brebo no wodumadi bebre wadi nnuani bi wanu nsuo ni fin bi wom brebo no ene yi sa fi ni nyina efiri hunamdua nim enti se brebo no sase se eseya na chese a hawkese pa na de asase ye ba na kwan a ba hu se brebo na sase se eseye no ene se obi wa bo so wanum sase se eye wonwono e ma sase se wo fele feverish de bia bo so wanum ye wonwono wo fe wa checking malaria ukwa yese hwe ni ho worms hwe ni ho typhoid ni ho obehwe mu no na hepatitis na eda na wadi nti bo so obi anum ye no nwono ofele nauseous obo se ne bofono no asa ofe obi anum to obi titimi pai no etimi de saade ne ba en na ehya se esa ba bo so wonfe na wonfe etimi ye wo ya especially the right side of the onfeno ni nyina bo se eno soso no ehya se eno soso eye wo ye tutu ti se kuro wo bo se mpem bebre no etima ahokeka okay enti wo ho na se de bia ho ta keka wa wanum worms aduro wakọ yesi wo skin no hwi ni wo akọ check food poison check we wo ba hwe na bia na liver na asha se ye e bia na hepatitis ena wo ye nya so ho ena mpem bebre no ano ehya so ka no ho bie mu a wo bo se washa se wanya yellowish pigmentations wani fita no wani no say or black and you fita both the fita side na say yellowish akokọ srade both wani fita no say na wanya yellowish pigmentation asa honamdua ni mu no asa yellow enoma point bi na won nsam kura yellowish and e be kan say jaundice in the case of jaundice jaundice is simply a yellowish pigmentation of the skin and the eyes now both say bi ojo so kala sha say esesa o Johnson no say de bia o Johnson na Johnson na yellowish obi wa bedu mebi no na Johnson na say coke like color Johnson na brown so hu na eno no so bokoko na obo hu say won fen wayase aye kutu kakra na wayase nyina asase se eye wo ya obo say bedu mebi no waya wafu no asase se edoa eno nti ade a itima nipa de sani bebre be ma a ni kwa so wonyem enso so oba wonyem na nafu aye se oba wonyem be 6 months wafu na den na say the block pa na atum na wona ase asase se epija edu that stage no a if you na to the den In fact, appetite the India misuro kese ne say e yade ba ko a se wo de no e sha se say wo liver no a ene ne yade ba ko bi ba hospital na Aba no utimi ka ne mfa ne nkofie na mo mfa ne nkɔ ne mo mpa ye ma no.
Wow.
Oh yes.
My number no chenya bone.
Endpoint to me party clinic. Yade bi how bia. Yegusu ye free prostate scan and any menstrual disorders no. Phone number is 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68.
Yada Dr. Duboati ase ochina sabre ya kan yo homa yo mo hyeso. Ema ehu bi antoso na wo ka ho asem ne de na se mo ano e wo ha e bitu de abo se wonimu a na ekun wo ba se wonimu a ye di nkomo kwa animu no obeti ase ochina sabre ya wadaro ma no wa kan yo hu midin de afia amankwa tamaklo edase Nyomani atena mfie bebre a ye bo astew a wasigu emu nsem e kasa kire oman ni mu mabuno ene ho nkomo na ne ye ba betwetwe memo ache mo akwaba emra Badwam ho se pedwumadie so world of entertainment de fata oni no sumo still no ye hwie bigu na ofa bibo aboso mini at Sandra ohime ametiwa edwuma nyame adom entertainment ame ye Ghana for chemu a
woni sa sendi no we die jayo oye guy sister Sandy be a guy
yeah me say mommy trying was mommy trying was na na ba ye cheche and I mean saka me ba ko studio has say it's very rare say ubenya legend ba ewo won chen say legend ya mbeto no nanso ne baguso eto na dwuma pa eso eno ho komo ne betwetwe na janzifu e me ye sure say firmamu unim no a school history book mu ne ye tro ne din wom ye chekere wo oni a wo ye nwom a wo boye ye ke ye na ra assassin school ye dia march ya protest ya ye na ra assassin firmamu ya na boy asemi de kan akwasi nsia edidi ne dwumadie ne nso ye na na firmamu na e boss anyom no anyom pi anyom e dia march animu nkomo nyina ye mbonsem emfama daddy baby owo bia ena imensa ka ne baba ya I studio has say mommy pastor akwaba yeah moache
meje also
you're looking fly
thank you and so are you
thank you mommy efremamu ebanka sene ni moja direct enye nchenkra na dwumade esunku bia abekoso and ho nkomo ne betwetwe mama ye de we family enimu Ghana for a show ne ka se sima baako dan ho adi kire wono mu a
your friend me sonu na me ya papa owuramu ne ba otoso miensa
wow
na me na eja me fa na dwuma oye no na intino me call university na me sua me call Winneba so intimi music education intimi trade was St. Monica's for about 6 years. Wow. And I'm a Legon. Okay. African Studies. Wow. The honor me Jumako say me jam home in 2009. Wow. And say no. Be bomodi abo me papa nyumuna. Okay. Juma me this say.
Oh, you are a legend, mommy. Monster mama. Wow. That's it. An evening of Ephraim Amu songs. Mama, sana woka wabako semcha background choice music ne de wadokwa kumasua dia na so boa dadi nyoma no. But this particular Jumedia Babidi no. And on inspiration if him da be na odwen ho wotena sana ho se enye ne se free fa.
Enye me nko a. Ye wo Ephraim Amu Foundation. Okay. Na ye ni panson ne wo so. Enti no yeah, she shares sanka 125th anniversary last year no. And anka ye bedi. So ya near man to 2 years enti. Edi be share afi. Enti ye shase adwendwen ho. Na yegusu no na ehu so ebe ye ebeba so.
Na ye kan ise na senka yana natiase a ka wanya 126
September is done on 13th
na mudi dwumade na ka wanya 126 and when a birthday celebration kum enjoyment because ye betie nyom no agi ani sir real and in fact I say we need buy youth kwada so
Me am sorry for Presbyterian Church for Madina for that so. Na ye can you me. Ye hwe nyum we same ra. E be shock because on a boy nyum we. Or no and a boy and nyum we. Mommy, the gathering of the performers no. Winneba Youth Choir.
Sir.
You ever see who the NTA or now form for this great legendary programming?
Winneba Youth Choir. Yen na ya te wonka. Afen so womo tutu nyuma horo. Na papa nyum no. Womo atutu bia na mpese womo tu bi ka ho. Okay. Se ne ebe ya ono so ni nyum no. Ebeba. Sa. Ebeba.
And I'm sorry for Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Emmanuel Congregation.
Yeah. Madina.
Yeah.
Madina for you know one year Juma Ache.
Okay.
Now you were Ephraim lectures. Okay. Academy of Arts and Sciences. Okay. Okay. Into no, if you say a shas, you know, Emmanuel Youth Emmanuel Presbyterian Church Choir.
Yeah.
Madina.
And
the shas.
And the shas.
Into no, Bribia, you be a fat papa.
I was say a tone suffer. Mommy, me who praise me? Not daddy or praise me. Now what's so praise me?
Oh, you're Presbyterian.
Oh, my sorry for mama. Praise your suffer. Yeah, Presbyterian. Maybe I'm a bisa say hey, fan I'm joining and honor. Ebeye kakra.
Oh sir.
Na me kono Paya Memorial Bantima Kumase. Na me call Bethel Congregation South on Treso Bakra Haji. Call Victory Hona Denta Honana. Mama so what here?
Matias.
And ya who Paul we no.
EP Church. Paul Viegrab EP Church.
Okay, EP.
Na I won't say a Presbyterian for.
Yeah.
About na Oshasia will picky.
Okay.
Na picky ever Presbyterian Church. Evangelical Presbyterian Church.
Yes.
And na Otna Kumasi and na Betty Fini Akropon. And also the Ghana Presbyterian Church. Na ne mani na ye boy in Nesu Ghana Presbyterian Church.
Wow.
So you say if you pick into your copy here, EP Church.
EP Church. Say
nti ye Ghana Presbyterian ne ye EP Church.
Ni
na Presbyterian
na nyamena ni nyine bebi sa hwan na agini di meje adwo nyankopon ne manyina sotufo ne ye keka kosa nyamekro na enti ye ka no on say ya boda de nyom baako ye nara assassin which is the most popular one na e be shock you said ya me bebo yin so no daddy ene bo nyum eti we brasisi a
Assembly besini Assembly nyara Assembly besini
Kaya kwasinsia na eba na eto aso asemidika hena beka commander 6 mi wi na audit to aso say ya me sure say mama on that day no mo ben ma ya bakosem etanyum wenyina chi ya release ni ade kakra ekoso 13 ve ye memene da we na ma say rate no 200 cedis
any 300 okay. 200 cedis single
okay
300 cedis double na ticket online star 714 star 11 star 42 hash.
Mama sister be mommy.
Star 712 star 11 star 42#.
4:30 Pepe by 4 no what's no a front seat. Osu Ebenezer Presbyterian Church Hall. I want to jumedi no ebekoso. Osu Ebenezer Presbyterian Church Hall. And crying, memo. Mama, but your final words. What the number be better? We better offer for further inquiries.
Me the better soon. One more perform. No real fee.
Hey, manifest.
Can who trust say? Ye pese and then my friend. You move from Gen Z. For almost so ye tree one bang. Papa nyum. Do one nine nim.
Omonim Gen Z for the mama. Omonim.
Ain't no ye manu back one or no way you move back one.
Okay.
Or the bay ye.
Also the Gen Z. And a solid guy or Gen Z or
Mo be amra no meti no.
Nice.
Me so nyame adom e bi a meto back bi.
Mama to ye there hu nti obeto. And mama na ye freestyle ka crazy o be my some line back. O papa nyom dey pa na your favorite song.
Say o ka favorite ya na ni edoso.
Baby o back bi a o say no pa na o pe. And now they my top 3. Top 3.
Me top 3.
Yeah.
Enye nyame Adom nyame enye. Okay. Din kese na nyam sen.
Wow.
No ye baako.
Great.
Na baako nso ye hajiji. No ye eve. Nyumto.
Okay.
Ekenyao.
Yeah.
Ena meka say biakoye. No ye singing band for
singing band. Nice. I see. Nice. And you mama mabubo so gina ye cry ayira. Gen Z way. I say me de kanera asase ye ade de Tree Street na iti momra 13 for so Ebenezer Presby Hall honom. Na de mama abubo so ye nkotie na live e wo honom. Mama pa show the number bi beto dwa or bi be for further details.
Okay. 020 504-3767. The number no. 020-504-3767.
Yo, when your mama, Pastor Ebada say no pain so je breba has say near betche komo. It's been very insightful. Thank you so much for coming.
So madam say papa.
18 nyame adom wa 13 fiemfa ye ni enche. Me jama makwan ma mensa mmonyum no baako emfa ema ho. Na ye still ye catch us at 13 for the wedding betchere Osu Presby Church Hall honom na yako have a night of the legendary musical feel. Efrem amu wa metono ba mun konkusu abakosem pi ewo honom na make for best brain publication e dia mam. Omo ye education publishing firm a omo in-depth knowledge, new standard based curriculum no emu. Omo books ning na assess calls, skills, creativity and imagination. Student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration, communication. Books ning na NACCA I approve o masanya sie e wo bookshop bia e ben wo emu and Albert 050 7200200 and 0504 200 300. Best Brain Publication, Tomorrow Education Today. Me the sister Sandy Eugenia Baden, no makeup department, on a treatment in Medema, hair logistics, GH Boomiti, Eagle Wear, Mama Tade. Share na Sarah Opari, I'm a director, Sarah Opari, which nemu the day, they say from Amusho, Sarah be Kobe, or Kobo die for icons, the day, and you may only lizzy, so one corner, one quarter to be Emfa Mount. Now, OPD, I am a producer, baby girl. Richmond or Isaac or Thomas for her. Your supervisor will be Kofi and Pedro, Frank or Sound, MCR, Thomas, Azu, Alex, Yusuf, or Mungina Bomechidom Ewaha. Major Okwaya. I mean, some way from my Munyomba Kubia. So, won't say that. We cry him so on a boy, my boy. Until there was a 13th, or surprise before, could you medino as CB? Mamma Fabon Rekente from Ifrimamu Angel. I'm the guy's queen. Bye for now. 11:30. You be sure be sanyum soon.
Sister Sandy B or your guy will share interview or yen is a no mamma and to bone weekend. There's our family no more. You're the trouble fruma and nay, who any ADR. But a mambo fan of Pemichiawo, Yame Mammy. Only auntie if you am a chiamo. omo soprano pa so omo nyini ye ne no afam ese mama says we bought tenor so we bought die ba hwe mami still soprano ni ginam tinyame ya adoma 13th eye memenda we ya o se nyina ye ko su presby na opani efrema mo nenum ni nyina chese bebre wo ho ye te but aha tie no oya de pa na baby ayadri de mame acknowledge ye health tips na watchi mu ye kasa fa hepatitis ho medofo 5 minutes ye nchenti ye tie bi fasedanma endpoint homeopathic clinic on madaro ma wonso ya sen ye timi disam community bibi e kire wadwuma ne mo hu bebre apemfo no okọ hospital okọ antenatal ne yese wanya bie ne kunu kasa no dabi se nuro wo nonumbi but enya wadwe se duro wo ho ntinu gya wo ho saa kona ko check ko test hwe ebi ni ho anu abom pane na so abom ho ban afi yare no ho base bi wo ho nso a medofo ma ne mo hu kra nya ko hospital la be ma wonu no wanu no watimi abom ho ban ye nyina ya hwe ye hu ye afi yare no ho Faith homeopathic clinic aba bibia ye gidie ne dia to aya sabia no so nti wo kona wo gidie ewramu a gidie no ebeje wo nkwa Dr. Reverend Kankambuadu ene nera dede no abedum ya oni ebedi nkomo dog ya mo akwa be
nchoso baba
bibia boko de
nyame adom
o kala enye bad
so why fepa
that's papa that's
review ni nya na me
na wo hwe ho o de oba ntemu wo ya de mo
that's right
yeah de nyame shira ne fans no
medasi
adawma ene ye hwede
mede enchaso kokra ma mesio prophetess Dr. Asari Botman abi obi ya den chaso kokra ema no na ma chia Faith Homeopathic Clinic doctors ayebo adwuma nya Dr. Boateng Dr. Abigail Dr. Dora Dr. Enoch and everyone there e chia obi ya bo ma baso adwuma pa moguso a mo ye ma o my Ghana we believe say home waye no na ye hu say e ma bi e wo ma bebrebe mema na nka omo ni da so asa ordinary na eba hospital say na ni hu ade but at the end of the day no ne be ma ewu 2 years and so abenya resurrection power asa so ye jane na so biom ama fe do zi enya na ni ne kura hwe na ye concentrate on ne be ma na ehun say ehun hia no more na ni da so asa na say timi apagya de a enya na ni hwe ne be ma no ma na onwu nwie ati say aye ni gisem oba no wadi 47 years for the first time in her life onye ni da so watimi anyinsan oti ho ye dey ebesro take advantage the bra Santa Maria Abuya Junction here Dr. Abigail Aykrado bra enano pay this week send to say first screen be ekoso so for my birthday last week as a last month in him and you know you release how you say ye dey boa ama obi and sika sembo from ti on timi ma no on take advantage of this birthday surprise now on family should nipeduam know the state of your health because nipeduana odi di akoni aba odi koba no unim de ebobo ba de because ya dey fit preoccupy show up our incubation period our maybe bra de jemre say bacteria na say fungi and say parasites be the real nipeduani ma nyeso fiti ya no aka wato da bi o jemre sa incubation period na auto ni kosua na o chechire na busua wo nipadua mu na se wo organ bi mu no sa abmere no ye wa fidi a yetimi de hu na ntempa na ye tuo ma se afri ho no nya wa pomoden enu nti na ye promote self care se nipa bia se wudidi num suo hu memfama nko ade a hyenu so se wo nipadua no e boaboa enioma kitinkiti bia ye fe no toxins ana se contaminants kakran empeni say da obeto bo atwa asuo from no nye da no na empafisiu nti obi yo ho a enioma wo ye ya ekofa saa o hawo ne bre no bedrumra e hawo ne ba no na ne rekura afi semre bi wa he bibi saa nti no obechinchina bre eno nti yese wo ba ye wo mfidie eni wo nro ye beje mre ahwehwe oni paduam omogem organs ni nyina mu ehu de ye de kofa baaye se aduane bi kura na okudie ne kofa baaye afidie be tra me ehu na entempa na check hu nsuo omoja body mass index ni etwa nura side effect bi ani baby a onoma straight up and down na koye adwuma ama yade na no abrashi ama nipadua na afa ne toma pefra obi a okwa aware na ho afford de call e ene de yade aye no a sometimes na ne ho kra nya okuna kono sometimes ne ho kra nya ne yira kono nyina ne say yade amanipadua no agija mesro emfa ho ne ba bia wachini akopem bra faith homeopathic clinic be chef fidie nim na ye ngibre enhwehwe onipadua nim na ye hu yare no na hye ne so say oba faith homeopathic clinic a holistic approach to health say ye gidi say nyankopon boy onipadua no nyame de akwa ne organs bia hyehye mu a ono ankasa timi sa ne ho yade ba eduru ba bia na oma ho den ekofom eno ti efre bibi acupuncture eno na oba ye be hwe ne ya punch all the organs na omo dwumadi akofom no ye be san anyane omo amoma sa asori bon sa afi omo abedi dwuma ama nipadua no afa ne ntoma pa efra because ye gidi say enya yaresa bia na ye adunum eduru ba bia ohia physio and massage ebe miemia wapo no wapo so eduru ba bi so na say e wo se ye ma waduru a edoni ehwem say e herba na ana say ayurveda ana say e conventional medication ena ohia wo sa ya de wi eho die nipadua ni hia wo ni brem no eno ne yede ma wo eno ti jembre ne bra Santa Maria Abuya Junction na ya be chef die nim but me pesa wo kai na wo hye so na hu ni say so ye nipa wo tiase a wo didi onum suo eho me mframa nko a dia onipadua no e boaboa pathogens and say contaminants bia no ensu afo say ye krogen kra no eno kra containing more microplastics more e chen de omu no we nyina ye de ye koye nim no industrialization e diaba the chemicals are introduced into the environment since the advent of industrialization no e bro 10,000 and yasem ketwo and we keep producing the bia foforo be ka ho sa the bia de fan from them de fa aduane ene de fa yensu aye num ekoye nipadua mu befua na se o ma no boa de haw ene yade ene bebrew enu tie se oba faith homeopathic clinic ye fa bibi detox ye detox na sa enioma na ano boa wo nipadua mu yeso ye pete no ma ne pie ye pete ebi be fa dwonso mu be fa mfifire mu na ebi so e fa jana mu na de wo se ye twefa wo na mu so no ya twene nyina se de be ya wo nipadua no e be sa benya state e fa no alkaline wo nipadua no be ye acidic e boa e ma germs bacteria and fungi etimi etenem eno tita bia no e wo se etimi cleanse ye hwehrum nipadua ni nya sa base na ye fa no alkaline no na etimi adi ni dwuma sa anya sa emfa ho ne adupa ai de be mo wanom intimi nya na dwuma ye fa no drug metabolism intimi nya na dwuma food metabolism intimi nya na dwuma intimi strow kai na hye so ne bra na intimi emoa fa number we ne fraying ye was Santa Maria Abuya Junction here so wo kuma se akọ ahene makokoben 18 mu hope ahene makokoben 18 mu honma ko fa idua fo nyina mo call laundry managers road your Poly Junction o takwade Anaji police station chen hwa Dr. Boaten e wo honom na bogoso sahwi fo nyina monko old aseda boga abronsanachi they say WHO amiye say yade e henipa no edoso this year a World Health Year na ye say ewiase nyina bedru enkwantana bia eye apomode enkwantana ya obi ehu ba bia onfa che say enioma eni apomode di asie no adoso eye aginsemu na ekwantrodo ba kwa obetimi afaso abo ho ban ene say obe practice self care che say ohun se chemato kakra bia ba oni pedua ma emfa ntena ho ntempa na no akwahwa ade kro wo de tena ho a ebe ginsemu ebeba be di udwetri nya wanhwe ya wo lifetime savings kwa no yade ebeba no na ntimi ankwa ankosa enti uhu kitwa bi na no abehwa ade kro ye tu nase o ma no boa odofo ahwa na akofa eha obi a ye ntimi ensoa enu nti no fa numbers we ne phrase sie eni enya kita hodie 0540 710 940 0540 710 940 and now say 0547 57 84 94 0547 57 84 94 enotino bra na yentumi emwa ya de bia eba oni peduam be ma ohwa ye mre mesho bra yetenete oba opa wo atiko mesho bra obi a wedi 47 years for the first time otimi afanyin sen oba bi emensis airport say for 3 months oba ya yegusu ye treatment na acupuncture kra na ye anwie na tete instantly na fe ye me na e gina doctor sinya na o si free home obaba na obehwedo na oso summons na pay by force na no 3 months in the process of yinana e buy odi no fabra na yintumi Amoah number na is 0540 710 940 0540 710 940 and I say 0547 578494 0547 578494 Eya Santa Maria nkran heya twemi kanebra na intumi Amoah yeda majisa no po sumotie
yes yeda Dr. Reverend Kankambodo ase from Faith Homeopathic Clinic and by Mr. Freno Amoah ni dia Freno bibi kire wadwen ono na di nkomo se bibi woni pedua ni ma hu se nya sa na tie na yare nko ade a any Faith Homeopathic Clinic enkasa na yentie enkaibo ye nyame yadoma September busumi ye mu 21st September ye nyina ye nhia on National Theatre ye Bernard Amankwa celebration of his grace concept no nyame adom this year idie so baso den 21st September ye nyina ye nhia mu ewo ho na anwontofo no die ekuku dami hu yakura Reverend Thomas Yolson ofrito nyumunye ne atichiu eno ura Bernard Amankwa ato wonsa frɛ so one more mrai na omeka no ho na celebration of his grace concept no bibia enye kama nti 21st September bra na yemfa enkabomu ne entontom awrade de waye City Montessori School so efra wofo ne abatan no mesro se ope ye shukudo ba komopa wontu sika wudia City Montessori School and American for the Amoah school no woma boa wo mo so wo mo be kire nkora de nti wura school no mo environment na akora qualify adesua de bia tweka bia ni ho ho ye kama se akora betimi atena ho asua de ye wo board directors wo ho astroturf wo ho robotics STEM ICT sanso na music lab wo ho ye school bus so wo ho ye boarding ti be bia wo bia wo pese wone eye City Montessori edi ensa wo so no mesro akonya no wo ho se onso obeba teacher for no so adaje ene mre pa ya one more ebeboa ama wo ba no adesua no bibia koso eye your CCTV cameras so e wa around that bonkra no ho ban compound ba bia me yehunu se de nkra no omo ene namu etie hwehwe City Montessori wo Kaswa Obom Road eben Lamte Mills ho a frɛ 0249 282529 0249 282529 City Montessori building global citizen eno eho enkomo eno no na yentoa so menya medofo ewa haseya oba beboye na fe yene no edi enkomo meso sawoti a entuni ofu na nkomo no de ya na ehu hia sawonso tie pani kwankyerefo no ankasa na menya no ewa ha Asante Herbal Clinic ura Michael yaw Asante Mensa tense ni dina no de atosi ura Asante Mensa yemo akwabe
ye no afu ya
na bibia boko de
mo
waya medase unso wati agumu pa waya de pa na Asante Herbal Clinic de yentanta monka ne nimzam wo system mu ache yenti mu hansam kakra ne no awodo a mo wa bode sayare
yo afu ya mede wasepi no adwuma pa obo ma Adom multimedia
edase
say Asante Herbal Clinic ye clinic bia yesa amanfo yare na amanfo yare na yesa no enema bi koso wo oman mu particular edi kum nipa basically aduane di ba se wonim se all the time ba ha na se ye kapomode ho sama medri kan to paye apomode ho to paye
okay
wa utie mi bia no wo pressure carrot cucumber tadwina kado blend no mame the reason why me dey sad way eba abonten is
carrot today
carrot cucumber atadwina kado me feel say last time kura ochre I think
facha me tina me say sisu bi mu
onom no anopa wi anwumre etuma pressure ko fom pa another one yes another one kura ye nyaado aye die owi ba ko anopa wi an anwumre
yanu aye no
no I'm telling you nkofo bi feel say bi agoro bi ne die but it's real ba sante ba clinic sane me ye adwuma papa ene meka cholesterol ho asem kakra bi enu na sisi a ekuye madam fu bi kura wo radio station bi a memo radio station edin wanya stroke oda from sisi a young guy on worry impo I'm telling you na ni nyina free your friend say ye nua na yedi afia cholesterol your brabo produce 1000 milligrams of cholesterol every blessed day what did you need to produce ma say your brain functions no ebe ye adwuma yie na kusua ba ko ewo almost 200 milligrams or 189 thereabout into bitumi chin kusua 5 na wadi ebasa cholesterol be high now they akoka 1000 milligrams na nya thank you ebasa ebe bad cholesterol na bad cholesterol if we no na say ye niyo eno na say ye kidneys eno na may pressure eno na may diabetes wo to ase twetwe ye sciatica ni nyina ye bad cholesterol na ede sa ni ema nyina ye den eba enti mesre Ghana for ye nuane aye die no I see you pay good attention of that enya sa stroke ndie ebe koso abasa obetia na wewu kana bi nyankopon fa na kransie ye kana boachi omusie na last 2 weeks na or drive all of a sudden cardiac arrest cholesterol na the cardiac arrest ba into the way ye nuane die ekono se yanhwe yi a ye be wu into so be tie me a na se upese ko cholesterol brama so ye one particular thing am for ko gym omo ye keep fit then so wa bene cholesterol 400 500 we are Saturday mutuo ni katekwan ni bia no anom no aka ho we 500 film now the 1500 aka e che say we jana ba bia we jana to but yes we ko gym so wu there be cholesterol na eye we enti ye be sere ye tiefo se cholesterol pa hawa ye o me aseba mixture wo ha ebe tu cholesterol ase ba unyan ba bia se yaso ye ho asoye kokomlemle senate for office that them
okay
number 11 Royal Castle Road yes and Kumasi Cultural Center Kokwase Kumasi Cultural Center Kokwase asoye ba ko so ye den wo enti ubetumi alcohol and as waba na cholesterol no ye asiye nyina every ho amount another thing so Ghana for challenges are ye face CCA sabi mema bebre o ma bada bridge just because of nnuane ye dey na block veins and the arteries no ti awari jaya na obati we kumwe you see all from sabi in the name of sex but sometimes we can sex in one some go say I didn't know sex a gift from God without that no you into me multiply and to say what bada bridge if you are not able to perform enye bibia ye nuane awudie no ba ya so ye kire nuane obedie ne ama waduro na that problem is over enti wa wutie me bia no so what's our problem na ba ya so ye enti ma me fa me numbers no and tudwa then at the same time no ubetumi afre when I'm out of here 0550 43 9920 0550 43 9920 027 28 92 701 027 28 92 701 what's up line here 0244 42 0069 0244 42 0069 more prostate enlargement no ehun ya so baba maso ye wo prostate enlargement aba say cancerous there obeba tie ne ye wa call your PS say oh 5 point there about or 6 and yeah is there's no cause of alarm per fresh tomato, carrot, and a cucumber. These 3 items. Ebe clear no. Blend no mame. Fresh tomato, carrot.
You person obo buy so.
Person obo buy you can still use the same thing to you know protect it.
Also carrots and fresh tomatoes.
Carrot, fresh tomatoes, and cucumber. 1, 2, 3 items no. Ebe to me a clear. But our prostate enlargement and na meat and yama we are at the end of the day no. Ebe be cancerous. Nemu sisi ya cancerous ujun so uchi moja na eba ma usisi yo ya obema no hihihwe no dey contact me immediately ye betumi akon sa yade no ayeden ama at the same time wa also so no blend the body betem twitwa ne hunu ne nyina ya na fa ewo ka ho no obeson so rosa o nsuo na nya 3 days no obesoku 3 days time
obesoku body no
3 days later no no wayi no wayam ene ne hunu ne nyina
ani nsuo na
nyina no wa filter so wanya osedro no ba wo hia ewo papa ma me fasa kwanya so nkyere the whole world how you can get good honey because go for adulterate ewo so enye nokore ebitumi de caramel now on the foam now or the sugar wa blend it wanya ewo udi aba hawo so wo person hu ewo papa ubie susi wa ade ebe che no entati ba akukura ntumi ntom sentati atutomu a enye and I say glass cup of water now the insuo no wa fa be half now the one be agum no akanum 5 minutes time say one ya papa won say insuo na basoro na ewo no adase a good honey unum kra no try for ya nti so pa wo papa topa any asante ba clinic ba ne boarding kakra ba ne boarding raw honey so ho ne mechire no nti omo fa me numbers no e bi o so omo frɛ pa 0550 43 9920 0550 43 9920 027 28 92 701 027 28 92 701 WhatsApp line here 0244 42 0069 yeah adwuma de bia ya 7 to 5 every blessed day 7 to 5 kwasiada nyina yeah adwuma nti kokumlemle senate for office that them hall number 11 Royal Castle Road Kumasi Cultural Center kokwase amamre fi security gate wabusa se mehwe Dr. Asante owo kokwase bia be de be chiro nti cholesterol me say repeat misremo nipa wu fuya nipa wu sa presenter one na host masa ye producer menka radio TV station what that from stroke na hit no me wira akra ho so enti mesre metiefo enye fan se oni obi be kasa no panwumre na ho no bio enye fan se oni obi be to say em say last year na yeshia na bia this year one time nka bio aya na ya so ho na meche no enti mo me moa se ye behwe anu aduane die yie ni yetumi nyine ache so I always pray for people say ubewu awu strong enye se obeda na fe beda da se kokwa ya toto afu ya I do baby na ahomete memo obi din obabi ande fia odi ha ayipa oye we sabi ene onantia na oye say stroke achano if you kura o sresliska e basa atete afuya enti metiefo mahwefo omunhwem ho so ye montan ko hospital checkups regular checkups no eboa oba Asante Aba clinic we also do the same thing for you. Not necessarily you have to come to my place, but wapum within here, always contact somebody who has the knowledge to help you. Intimu family numbers na your friends are kramo. Ya dear bia yasa apart from HIV. Your friend is a compo. Achacha. Yentumi and yeden answer. And epilepsy meaning who I don't go for a doctor, me epilepsy with Debbie, Yendin, HIV, General Hospital, Kokolubu. Yes, you better confirmation, but my boy, I know dear, you know what drew. But once, no dear, at least we have the knowledge, diabetes particularly. ya beti ne tie den ama da bia me ka say diabetes is food and food is diabetes ye nua ne ye dia no na eku ye fu ya kan so na se ye di ye be wie kura wie em se kodi na ntwinam kwan ne
am pa ponchi
nti mahwefo mo hwa mo ho so yie na ewiase no in fact mo odene pa nti
also my number ni bi
0550 43 9920 0550 43 9920 027 28 92 701 027 28 92 701 WhatsApp line no yeah 0244 42 00 69 0244 42 00 69 me do bibiara se mohweme
Yeda Dr. Michael ya wasante mensa se asante heba clinic na wotene kanofre no the number no de chiwadwe bia na de nakasa medi afia amankwa tamaklo asemedi kan kwasinsia ye krado anti mekwaba
Midi Aya Lopez, I'm your host for Girls Can Talk. Our Midi Aya Lopez, I'm your host for Girls Can Talk. Our Adom TV. So I was on for 13th of September. Yeah, walk with the stars. Asempa walk with the stars. Now, if you ask him, so person we a star. What do? You walk with the stars. And now person we Kenya. You walk with the stars. For instance, say she want to be a star or not. I'm telling you that. Come on 13th September. Now become Asempa family. Who na yenya walk with the stars. Na yenya apomudin. Apart from say you share your favorite superstars. You benya who apomudin emphasize because unantia obi anim say it's a good thing to do. As an exercise form, it's making sure that 13th September, our ATTC, Obeba near walking with the stars.
Yada say Amoah kwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumade no so nti we no ye memenda ye na ebnado ukwada ya wada fiada memenda ye nyina ye nkwatete ya pomo Thomas ofunmu ayedudodo ese ode ye nante na tumi abafom kama enye se ye kenti azuna wo stress wofu ye flat onko aye dangerous sense tie nyinda obi ekọ Yusuf obi a osi ekọ kofia mpedu on direct hwe that day on Sarah esi nyina yekọ nante ebeba na hu se body no ya tem apomuden kwan so enti menya amen scientific herbal and laboratory services ewa ha ino mba bedi enkomo Dr. Seusu etinedwem dog mi mo akwabe
yeah
na bi abokode
na
shake hu ye
nyame adom no ye ono so chiamu pa
wada ma yanto ye nkomo no eso ene yankasamfa
erectile dysfunction yes
erectile dysfunction
bema ne hon sheden sisi so sa yebebo hon komo nyaba de kan meda wase na amachia wahwefo ene Ghana fo nyina na sidakese pa no ekoma otumfo nyankopon esanse ono na Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital otayechi oboyechi dom wame nyansa nimde ne ntiase wama ye nuro nwanwo so nuro krogen sadi mfidi otramodi machines aka ho na ye de boa omanfo no mudi wa pomden kwan so nse Amen de ka ye mpese obi abe yare kra yare yare ohoi emafie jija yare etimi mo hia pa de ohia ne ahokire
o diskani nyina
to so nti wo bon se ye kasa obi pa sabi oni ani da so a ye de yare de na to fom se adwuma kra na wo ya na se sabi adwuma na bi esei say business bi ana say company work bi na yi wadi a wo opportunity se obe apply as a pay adwuma ana say well business kra wo ye bibi fofra beti na emum na say saa ne o ma nyina hagigu ana say yare na aka wato a besi den ene wakoye saa ne o ma nyina nti Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital we nyina nti ne etu ye ho asiwo si ye beso momanfo no bi adie wa pomuden kwaso ti wo hwe no de bebre edro bia ne ho akade ene ya sa bomodin edin fidie de de abanansen ya okodem afidie akowura mu a na yi unyare wo nyina na sa she treatment ase and sakra na afidie na sa kire ye aduru a ye de kanwa obenya apomden nti utifie o ye den yes bra amen scientific na ye moa o nti wo de frɛ 0244 227192 0244 227192 020 722 9505 020 722 9505 0245 275 254 0245 275 254 Miniaba ye ka eye erectile dysfunction na say eye sebi eno ye mema yare ye ka erectile dysfunction na ti otwa nyina ne say bema ne ho ensisi ne so bema ontimi ni agro wompem bema sebi oye kojuto so hu ade a ema ye nyina ebedi adanse say ade ema bema ye mema sem sipi na sita ewie pe yo nyina sebi ye bema nti say atete stories ni bebre nyame amoa a wo ware na ukofa oba ba fi wa ware na ye no ho ade kama amamre kwan so na wasi abrosan de natenem na sebi obe masem nkoyi a nyame amoa ono abepake ne oma akọ anase obi de o sekan beja nanka ena ya ade a nyame na de amanti emani gie sonko ba fie ena stress reliever so enti wo sha se koba se be ma bia no obenya sebi erection a complex process ya adwene di mu akotene pa ye hormones di mu akotene emotions ahodo di mu akotene ye nerves ahodo entini ahodo edi mu akotene so hu ohwemfoni ye da so ya entini ahodo a wo be ma mu ni ade ne di mu akotene muscles ahodo nse ye be ma no dompe bi animu enti ye sebi muscle mass entini homa tissues ni ade enti se wo no ho kani behia na moja no pompe kama na moja be ginam na afi ube ma no etimi agina so kama ti se koba se wo a wo hwe me wo de no ebia ono ho kani di ho agra be ma ne page ni mu na ansa na mudi bebo so kra no agye mu a there's a problem e wo so oba na ye hwe sa anso na obi wo a be ma ne be page ni mu odi bo ani a no agye me no na ene na mafo kana nda 1 minute no eno so there is a problem e wo so oba na ye hwe afi obi no wo a ne wo kani bedi no ho agro sesen de friend romance no sesen enka no ho de ne chese santifo be ka se odob na da ho de kojo to ye obi no ho mo de na kwa koduru ba bi se sabi ne atenka kra ni ho nti yakoba sa na efie ho no one ne yere te se aniafo ezanse atenka no kra bi ni ho na ye so many causes be physiological be psychological na physiological na se o sugar o hwe ya so ya be masem a akoyi kojoto enkoyi no dodo na ayehwe no emu 80% se kire yare na ekofa ba asai nerves ne homa hodo ni nyina ma be ma no entimi kura mpagya na ho pressure yi kosuru bebrebe onhwe empe ho asem ni etimi ma pressure kosuru elese drugs cigarette insadin basa ni nyina etimi ma pressure yi ye be masem yi ekofom sa anso na ne bitters ye ka bitters a chese edura ye den sadin na ahye alcoholic drink ye nyina enso enim se nka plants a ye de ye ne de ye but in sadin no alcohol no etimi damage nerves no tinyame amoa na ko damage upu den da nerves ni ade a bitters especially young ones no o ya asase ne de obenya ho yi but o nyine ko ani mu no afi de na sabre no kura bi kura afi na nyame ato nsemu e wo se oju ani wo na wo yere ni wabusia no afi kodo to wo na oda wo chese ni o ma wodo bebre empo psychological no ye wo anxiety ni depression ye wo stress no mini aba so ha ya bon komo afan yarewa be 50 ho a emu be 45 da bi e ka stress ya besi abo manfo nka ye se nipa bia na nti no tumfo nyanko ho ba anajo no senka wa ye adwuma damu ni nyina no anajo no na odi ajo ahome nti se ko ba se wonye obi a oje rest bebra se wa mfa ho anto mpam anje ahome a nipa da se ni de obeto mpam nti obechusi wisely se wa odo ho beto mpam bra no aje ahome ana se obi de obeto mpam obi de obeto mpam a na che se one ida se wo yare ono no opegya wo do atum do ana se sebi what one anano won see do because wa anyimra anyi wa home bebre nti stress mini aba stress de bia Ghana ye o se ye adwuma koba ne ade but e wo se nya breso ne de ju ahome ti wo adwuma no wo ye ne night during the day no say 6 hours bi kra no ada kakra rest we nyina ne afoforo bebre nyarewa hodo bebre ti na army scientific say but modern na bra be hye fidie mu ne ncheke ohu nyina adanse die de etwagu ye nhwe de ye nuanom a mo bedi adanse na nsen adanse die bebre ansa ne ye beto aso no o de ye nhwe adanse die de ye se bra na so bedi wadanse o tena ho amayare ase ofie hwe adanse die ye ba ye beto aso
o time no aso fache aha ana ye mo okay odi mo number no wala say nyambo next week na ya boy no
mate no problem
my number
enti say army scientific ye wo asoye no bebre say doso enkran ha de ye odome CFC flat ni nchen wa eco train dade no so wo no obehu army scientific asoye e wo ho saa so na akọ eye lashibi klagon wa obehu say goy filling station ye ben ashama na bridge no ba bia aka bia no ofre numbers na ye be kire no aba na ya boa na so wadi e wa apomden kwa so 0244 227192 0244 227192 020 722 9505 020 722 9505 0245 275 254 0245 275 254 numbers yi mu bia ofra ye be joso amin scientific ye say allow shafi nyankopon ene yaresafo na so tumfo nyankopon so timi ade nyina ye de a na che se yare ben ena amin scientific ye ntimi hwe yare bia fi utiri so kosi unase awo na stroke edian bra ye be boa na so adie e wa apomuden kwa so na ahoto abafie
yada se papa Dr. Seusu amen scientific na ofia oni edi nkomo fa number na Fred bibi chewadua ono mo akasa ye nkomo no ye wie ne mum twa ne sisi na obedi star 281 hash option e 4 kwasiba na what the draw no atwa so star 281 option no e 4 star 281 hash option 4 twa sika 1000 Ghana da hono ma e ko bi account mtwa kwasinsi eba no de atwa so midi afia amankwa tomaklo edase
asemyidiko asemyidika hinna beka akwasi insia commander 6 kano seni etia
ya ka cho sa hanom ne beka ne seni esimi etia hanom ne emfa bi enkaw ne enyi bi so emfa mfrimu ena ebnada September boso me de to so enkono afimpi mienu ya dwenu enum yakuya ni mu anesa afeno kakrakra ekona wieye eti se obi bia opese wo ya ena ne maintenance ne nye na ebre ne kwa na ekwa anesa pese otu kwa akotra brochira obra ni pese otra omega na ato aso obra ni yo pese oye bia no ebre ni medi akwasi isi asem di kabre na edu so efara sekese koma Kingdom garlic bitters and Kingdom garlic capsules. Edo tatahwe nwanwaso ya ebadwaso ya Kingdom Herbal Industries. Akofa eri aba. Ene eboa ye pa. Da we amka to obi ya wonya enom Kingdom enupadi bi no na wankasa na oye ho. Obu ose ne sa aye titriti. Ose anase acheme. Ne nan aye titriti ose anase acheme. Moja ne ntimi ne afurisa ne ye apapo bi aba ne padwarim. Unya Kingdom garlic bitters and a Kingdom garlic capsule ni nyina ye adwuma baako na obi won mu a opoto aduro peto paye otimi mene obi su otimi mene etiri ya so pe ensuo de no tukwa entoni mienu mom ni nyina ye dukro na entoni mienu emmom ope capsules ano to capsules ope aduro ensuo so ato ensuo so de no so that's why hospital ya catch us cholesterol e was unya Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules oh my god be bia twadro bia nu akwa unya Kingdom no binto okwana so mni me asa hu sesa pharmacy anase drugstore no omu hye da nimu obi a serious pharmacy adwuma bia nu a oni sa Kingdom enupai bi won ne pharmacy Patosu nu bi agina ba ne koto bi sese be go na ye topa enu kwa na edura eji Ghana de hye eji omanfo 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153. Kingdom was no challenger. Say you could ask us today, Emily Assembly the Kajumadi Ebro. Na say Assembly Yamana Kumwa Brase the House of Records. Ebetuja. I didn't come out there this issue of Honorable Sabo Jata George and DSTV multi-choice blah back and forth. And as a critic nima bebre was system nimu. Ye bi ade achi ade sebia ye gu multi-choice. Ye twi DSTV for enuma afri NC for adiemu. Ye sensem bebre na enam edwaso. Ne nyina say the Minister for Communication penye e dia magana de hye. Ne ye na wo pene nyina ne say amanfo a subscribe to DSTV sika omutua e wo Ghana ne minister nkuni say ne bo e wo soro say the Ghana fo bi a complain no eti omakasa twa abo bo mo say omo te sinema keka ne mabo ani e ba bia dollar na ejina ene ba bia ababedru ba bia na inflation wo ene ba bia ababedru ya omo feel say they need to be fair to Ghana this year as at least omo anti omo bo so kra na kenye 30%. Tiareba chuba ti minister so me no share in the next few days on babete so na multi church for so issue state yan country obi ase babete tiama say aye bisi na 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 to me ase perifo e kra dem omo edi kobo about the pricing how we betimi place in the sene be ya Ghana de chia as subscribe to DSTV no obenya ahomje kakra e o djumadi emu a good one to be honest aban bi oprese ne manfo eni ye bia na aban papa aban bi oprese ne manfo abrabo entum ponkwen mu bia no e ya aban papa aban bi ohwe ne manfo nkanko oye die ene ne mo de yon se ne bo no empagya nkosuri pii bia no e ya aban papa so underscore the minister na ya de underscore minister ya de seeking for the well-being and goodwill of Ghana this year. Because omo use DSTV be brene complaining day. Yes. Ora to Nigeria wa Nigeria dey bo fom pa Ghana dey bo dey uko Liberia uko hanmu a omo dey fom pa na Ghana bo dey yeah. I say nyina ya come together. But the fear yeah, I'm going to say. Me so akwasinsi am ye dwadini. Me rani coastal. O how kakra am what the minister na mo to ye one coming out with his own percentage ye fante omo price ne so. Tell because uye dwadini a don't be too much excited about the move of the minister. One share a day will come. You benya aban bia ono be make announcement once and for all. Then need be out 20 organ be at what so by 50%. What I say possible and I say possible aban the abab tuja. That's one challenge ya me. Eno ti say ya ma aban pen for adwen ama so say yes omo pa de de ama nemom ma yem pushi ne man konko ye say ye ne eba be control prices e o ye mamu control pricing era ye twam unless e pese sa de ba biem yes what it am for bia ka no ka say oh na DSTV no upa na isu yes e no kre ene nkra hanum kra e wei ensuo bottle baako depend on ba bia beto na sunu bia ne bo oton traffic asem se be 2 cities as 3 cities. Na bu ye wadwen so kwa kwotena hotel no aton sukro na baako a beto no mo be 10 na 20 cities. Esukro na ye fa bi nka ho. Ye fa se kire ngu sanso nim. Enso na ogina traffic ase eto ne 3 cities no okwotena hotel bi so person onum sanso kro na wetwa be 20 Ghana cities. My fears. Mom ye too excited about that move. Enyadepa. And set a good precedent and for more maybe. And Marty to say, I buy over the month. I bet you can. Oh, I'm on 40 or money. I'm about so dollar above form, inflation above form. Me patch about the dollar and so you maybe. Abanso the dollar no. Any time some of the prices are now. Okota mapote atete boso. So you just only hear people say okota mapota port duties number form because dollar no ahode eba form. Ba abante hwe so port wo. It is a dollar no peja nam anopema hu se bank of na posti say around 12 Ghana cedis. From 10 cedis to about 12 Ghana cedis. At the end year Bank of Ghana post 12 Ghana cedis no. It means it say wo share porter send na ko ina man 10 Ghana cedis no and nanti say biem apeja kwosoro eti aban e ka kira man for se yenti na mabo so aban nya na so betene de so ezo kadi abo patcho ne bo abafom the four components here PURC edi kira so emia to ezo ni kania ebom no mienu pa ne bo abafom dollar to cedi. Inflation moved from 23% to 11% as of August 2025. But you show the can have one na. And I bind what in the year ye. I bind what in the year and ye yana. I bind Pesicadia developer minor. The private sector so Pesicadia be a human more. But you say private sector, Chinchinanchi, on to the bosso. Because factors now come here na any abani private sector no aba form ba abani na so jina ba bi ogina ekem just adentina dollar eba form no abani anti-port duty so adentina dollar eba form no electricity en so bo no abani anti so. It's so sad. It's so sad. And yes, I bumper for this year go kwemu. E me $1 no, $1 eba for me yesid no enya hoden. Only say na say the bibia be sakare mu as dollar as man ho se kakra. But see, Minister for Communication. Who ya ji ono kwadodo. Sam George. Who ya ji ono kwa too much. And I wonder why the President of the Republic, how can see that boy my Ghana so? And now President Mohammed too quite Singapore. Okoshia investors, and he's telling investors say one for si come show my Ghana jedimu. And two for say investor better to one more or be one yakwa so man penny and cash here wa home. You be cool si can show my Ghana jedimu. How safe are the investors? How safe would they be? See how you say Ben Sena because and I'm saying Emma when you Jadinia. Don't be too happy. Say I buy Air Force and you maybe say one to the price so say one she and your mama buy. Now bound from bar. You get another minister who announced you say or be out to the price by 50%. Say possible, say possible. What's it so? Honorable Sam George. Now make an answer. That's what Minister I care about DSTV on the issue.
April this year, what was the exchange rate? In April this year, the exchange rate was 10. Multi-choice increased by 15%. So if they claim that a depreciation of the cedi is the basis for the increases that they were doing, in April this year, when the cedi was trading at 10, they increased by 15%. If the cedi is trading at 12, they'll reduce by 30%. I'm working my own mathematics. So we'll take our mathematics to the meeting and we'll see whose math is stronger. But bottom line, there will be a reduction. At the end of the day, it better so.
You see, the latter part, you know, is super. The challenge now, I'm saying, as a minister, don't go to the table and determine how much they should reduce it. Don't go to the table and determine to them how much they should reduce it. You know, quite near the combo, as a ampa. So, mo factors are money so air to woman, yeah, and you factors, no. I tell Baba do say, I pay your do say the CBA, but don't sit in your office. Now, you be the fuck out, maybe. Oko vertical work as I in the show. And when be the fuck where maybe. Yen my juma or multi choice, ya pass to a market chim. And I believe that will be one of the more risks here. Ever pay now buy empty any of the service charges so. Cause I buy to a chim. Umia fa per ye. Emie nyuma. Ye maburu nye binye. Ye maburu no enye binye. Ye mpekwe betimi afa so ma maburu no enye adwuma aye. It's a multi choice betimi akreti nyuma e de amaye. Other international multinationals betimi bie enyuma de amaye. How are we securing them? Cause some betimi bie enyuma am ye manfo nya biaye. Aban timi mi adwuma. Aban timi mi adwuma. Ya nyere sane etetra ho sa we beba no okọ we beba no okọ we beba no okọ. And I'm telling you, other multinationals will also leave. Me do the akwesi se for say koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Omna ko fa Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules e de bedwa so. E do papa de Ghana fo age atuma obia enum bie eno no. Me say out to be anaseta chill pa o nine on satiety titi pa edra ohia eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters and a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. O ma be ato do be akwa asem ka bi ato. Eto for friend 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and a 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. Me did akwesi Asia asemi di Kenny bakra. Yaba munya bache ma akwaba emfa emra bedwem so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Gold TV channel 119, Multi TV Big Boss no. Yeah live and so also. Yeah streaming on all our social media platforms. Check here on Facebook Adom TV. Adom TV. YouTube so ye Adom TV. Onya hu sa na ya share link ni mo bi so enye bi enhwe. Ja comments eto ase ma honte. Se no am ka kire no. Ye kenka nipa bebre message ba mpato de ba na se e ya teni ni kasa ntwi am ye sorry. Ye ntimi nka ha ye nya ne sa. Why? Ti wo ma de ba na se hote a ka wa se muhia so be di obi atem. Wa se mo wakoma so apeso kan ka. Muhia so be di obi atem. Se wadwen ma ho nya kama. Nienke kano bia enko then mabjafo atras me dey akwesi is for happy birthday enko for my prophetess Grace Osu Afenyi oye panipa oda Grace Divine Healing Ministry International no ya na tena kese ewo ekonfi adanse ene eye wawoda prophetess nyame enhira na onyo kese ko ise obeye kese pa happy birthday enko enfamam. Also, happy birthday, Uncle Efma Ora James Kojo Brown, CEO Edma Joshop Construction. Oh, wow. CEO, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Yame man in Shida, Nin Suparin Koso, and to a Juma, wo yeso. No more, I'll kodro, any aquanchita because of the CSA Ghana, aquain beer, Yadwe Shaw saying us. Happy birthday once again to the shop of the shop construction. You are welcome to be a member of the NPP National Communications, the former acting director of communication of the party. Then Honorable Stugard, a member of parliament for the good people of Brekum West.
Akwaba.
Akwaba.
Yeah, Makwasi. Ishia yache.
Akwaba.
Yeah, Makwasi. Makwasi ishia yache. But Joshua.
Yeah.
To be very honest, Ejuma Oye from Sunyane Ebe Kumasi. No name zone ye ho adwuma.
Oh, okay.
is doing a very wonderful job. And the birthday, Ochia na means mefa kwenye so na machiano. Yes, they say a Jumana akano, but so far there are areas because you be drew within the next 2-3 weeks be drew na asphalt. Sure. Now the kwan of first year Juma mani aje ho ne say on tutu kwan no nyina mo be a 5 kilometers. Yeah. Now I hear where Juma na wie asphalt ansa na wa connect say indi emma disruption emma kwan no so. Kumasi Sunyane is working on sections of the road and I think he's doing a very wonderful job. Because maybe any say na Rikum West meti o monka che be na watwe mieduni unim ze meti ame na echi kakra ndi mabedu na mefo akwanya so na machi ame mpanyimfo DC meko ye se de wa hwe akira bo adwuma ama akira ye kama chama ne mpanyimfo nyina because menchi omo na wasi mesre na wa mame kwan isane se abonofo a ewo America ene Canada na wotwe etwa mu no mo ye awanwade bi ewo Denver, Colorado, United States of America. Abonofo ewo Canada ne eye America nyina na ye kan abonofo a eye Bono East ahafo ene Bono 3 regions. Yeah. Endiomukuo no mo to ne is a council of Brown Ahafo resident in North America. To North America no. Kubana. Na jumadi omudi ye ne se omo afa to omo ho so se eye Sunyane Teaching Hospital. Okay. Omo ebesi dialysis center. Aban eye na famu de na mum yenuamu efiri Brown Ahafo nyina akodi America na Canada akabum so mo besi dialysis center na kwasi awrehosam ne say
Sunyane Teaching Hospital.
Sunyane Teaching Hospital. Okay. Awrehosam ne say the whole of Bono ye ne one center ho, the whole of Ahafo ye ne bi, the whole of Bono East ye ne bi ho, Western North unenze ne omo ne bohye wo Doma Nkrankwanta ebi ni ho, Savannah ye ne omo ne bohye wo Wanchi Mamboy. 25 regions we nyina put together. Obi owo kidney disease bia no omo da dialysis so no akwasi awrehosam ne se agese omo ba komfo anoche ana se kolebu na komfo anoche no so sana se pressure wo ho nipa free north Savannah oba bia 3 days na oba betwen nyese wo appointment so beduru ne ya enti amanipa bebre ahwere omo nkwa omo be free Safiyo so be free Sampa be free Miami oboba be do comfort no cheno even travel cost oboba bia beda enti abonofo no yo amoadwen so mo abeboa no mo si center no bi Sunyane to cater for 3 regions and Western North ne Savannah. Okay. Yankopon Adom eye da no August bosumi 30th 29th August ya na dwumadie kese koso o Denver, Colorado. Na opanyimpa otie adwam Bono president of the Regional House of Chiefs. Okay. Osiade yo Osajefo Dr. Ajimambadu the second. Oye domama nyino no so na Bono nyina oye president. Na kwesi na ade na efe. Okay. MPC wo Bono mu omoto nsafre na nanoma aka odene ho afram Council of State member no ankasa nso san ye manhene wosuma unu yerekaje ono ni krom hene osan ye Council of State member ono ba bi ya yenua neck down so abiam. Okay. Ghana link akwasi we di show pa $50,000. Wow. And the bebo adwumadie no MPC ekoye abonofo ahodo ekoye siade yo $100,000 and the boy MPC Bono regional chairman ekoye. Okay. Deputy CEO Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund Nana Kantwa ono na ye chairman na dwumadie no meka zakwasi na fekeke said the abonofo tumi ka bomu na ye yiyi sika ya the DBC center no bi na ni jesem ni say Ghana Medical Trust Fund Mahama case no kidney dialysis no say abeye free na mom center no to travel to a center nyankopon ya adom na yetumi wia
okay
eya de kese ema eye bonman nti mebo ko bana empanyimfo abaso na akwasi ye ko ye Denver mpanyimfo e wo ho eye Denver president eye Andy Kumolo na ye nua panyini tiomo ne mpanyimfo e wo ho de ye ko bana mpanyimfo Jody Graft na osika mo kwanya akwasi o mo hwe US no na eya dia so ani ye papa e akwasi memfa kwanya so na
no mase
men na bono man ase kwanya ye fa so boaye akwasi blasters match ye na nka agenda ho badam ze no ma me kwanya na me kan bi na ma nya hwe an kan bi I will be very much okay na me nchi amenua so ne ze menua no enuafo prekupe na dia gwasi menzomasua o menua ho a me pe na sem ne se unim zo no so na manyo sem ya atem didi enim enti amanyo sem abehwe na we anu ayi ni kana we yakohuna mane no me hu se we nya sa amane bi na me gidi se in a short term no wa hwe yi a obeka se unhunu benefit because wo a wo mponche no edu se edidie bi ba na so chefan e wom kura na ye twa fa ho didie ya ne se mini ye twa fa no ho sa ya na mom de message so onko so sa okay ne mre beba
ya na bi mu te say
oh me dase nyame adom mami ni kan chia menua ya fe santu en say brekum ni askore de me mitimi de akonya brekum
okay
o mo so timi de akonya askore bibi brothers mu nyina ye nua ne wo mo prekope na ya na koyen se mu baby na so ye de be ni na brekum ya sante menua ehasi ni ade ade enchia de senkatew but me ma me akosu afri mpoma nya me fa ni sie o se wo ware bentofo a udi na no chia me enen sem da paso no e dos nti menua na ni atio na ye brekum ni na woni nti ya nti watwemu a pese enye na katam na so na so de agakwa enya okwa de ni e be bae no so na menua krate kutabi perfecting your English, the essential guide to effective English communication. Yeah, politics ni na academia no si nyae. We Ghana Education Service o ma diatum.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about 5 areas. Yeah, be boa right from JHS up to the university and even beyond. Yeah, nyamiadom amanfo eto. Oko Legon Big Shop on Sabekenbi. We say Peace FM crowd drew security on Sabekenbi. O me number so na frame on Sabekenbi. MPs no ibiato to bia
me copy. Me copy.
Me copy.
Okay.
Na copy dey say o ka se come the media say copy dey no and to come. Nti ye bi ni nka ni ye. Ya me nia ye dey twedi ampo say nen so nyame adom ye raba omia amani mo so.
Okay.
Ye so te fa ko na to ade so. Or asante memu.
Okay.
He's such a wonderful person. Ade ba ko a me pe wo de ho say de na me nu edi me ho adanse no sa so na ba omia tie. Na no mfom, na no nkantia, na no ejina ho ma omanyo, ejina ho ma nkabomu. And that is the man we are talking about. Na you no kafa an hu nyina fi kura de have tell you simo kire yes ne dia akwesi me boa ede de attorney general no amuse nya no kure afi nsem o kan me brom je hu achinye ne ade no ne digitalization ne ade nyina no etimi abamu a me nu yeguso aye hu adwuma nti adwuma a woni akufu ado ye me nu yem him kakra kra se me nu akokan se ne ye darasi se yi no se idie akufu ado time na start ye ye be ko no mu be sabosumi be sensia se 1 year no tem the records are there in this maba na mo ye bia to aso aboso ba na meja pa ye na emom say ye rewrite history no de obi anim say in the history of Ghana de dialysis machines e beto ye de todika ho ene se ye de call data you know in any case health insurance we see cancer na ye de aye mama ka enti ye ni nyina ye ni ba kotrim enti medase onyame nka ne ho na asante man so agi raba omi atom omo si bi hwe no ma na atom ebene
okay
obuche obi tu na atom ebene na afi so de wadi kan ne to to na de toso bi so no nyese sebe be ko idi fatana fatana ko no ne watimi aye ne obetimi aye eni o man se de esi agina tumi na ho hye so no obi anchiri fo asempa kodo
berase yes babeka se 2025-2026 academic year no ashase open senior high school papa do ba akwa St. Andrews Senior High School da mekanfo ede amawo eti ebie akwanyade atum form 1 form 2 na form 3 obi abetimi aba na so abesua de St. Andrews Senior High School JHS for afede mo wie ya mo pe school mo apem a mo nya school papa ba akwa na awofo ebetimi ama abadachi ewie period ama no eye St Andrews Senior High School achechirefo wa hofama o tema eno odo eno de chirade o chire nkwara na ese wankasa ye furu manti obi okọ St Andrews bia no ebedi wada se akato so onko manabrabo enye basa ye okrobatan bi ewo asimfosu Mankesim Accra Shama Dunkwa Onofin New Edubias na face Sefi Asanyu so bibia ni afre 0244 696 911 0244 696 911 and at 020 789 1004 020 789 1004 St Andrews Senior High School papa obetimi do bako akosua ade ernom Joy News Habitat Fair third clinic and so baso na esha 7 day dey September 12 ekosi Sunday September 14th ebaso ewo God Park ya ewo ebe Accra Mall it's a Joy News Ecobank Habitat Fair no ye nyina fie dey ekwokyere asebi on se ne wom se obi a okwa asebia so fi na person oto se fi na person osia onye nimde ne ho akade baabi a betimi atore papa e de akoye ofie wona aso aseme de ebro drive VGH or say drive into a sustainable future when I can be a virtual security Africa safety and home solutions Superlock Technologies Limited DPS Pipes Elegant Homes and General Construction Limited Gold Key Properties Ayuda Ghana's #1 service app Baku Services Bebre Special Gardens DBS Industries Limited Door Masters Lesh Fortunes Limited landlordafrica.com The Builders Market Right House Energy Limited Syntex Tank Automation Ghana Interplast Jopen Security Clifton Homes Western Villas na fe MTN or see everywhere you go eti yen nyina fe dey enchas me kan say chebeto 1000 Ghana se twagum *281# *281# select option 4 twagum sa me wi a me ma 1000 Ghana cedis asana masani out sugar ye ba blaster just ba quick one what will ECG for proposal na kuma PURC
agwasi ma hunu bi
for 225
ebi na dama nemi
what print be crowd
agwasi say we dey wa unim say a negotiation strategy there be a omo kwa no mo apagam because omo nim say the omo ko na I remember say the last upward adjustment omo requested for I think 54 97 the other one omo ko 54 and the way 225 for omo ko omo nim say omo nya 225 but they want adjustments the person may touch on key issues
okay
ewo ECG a esese akwasi ye nyina ye de ani edi akire maka wo ha on record se enhyehyeye ne reforms a eba no mempese the next 4 years President Mahama ne brenso se wo 4 years e ba wie na ye da so eyusu eye adjustment na ye dey solve your energy problems there should be reforms ebeboa and I'm very happy say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and then the minister assures a number of reforms to improve efficiency of ECG no correct ECG ehia sika to replace obsolete equipment where transformers are ebi mframabo ya na nkane akọ baby nso eduru anwumre wa wanso o nkane na wear condition in term no dey also money ade they need money to do this meters bebre aye so obsolete say reading kra no emfa either say ready bebre and say ntumi ready they need money to do all these things nambom ni nyina achi no de ye besre ECG ne say omonso behwe leakages na da bia ye ka ho asem na omo plug holes no transmission loss distribution losses akodo ekoso ewo ECG omo distribute to various homes illegal connections akodo ekoso nyina no omo modern say omo beje sa sikani nyina de abeto foto no na fei enkanka de ye friend smart procurement ye nyina anim one of the issues are ECG over the years a create problems here procurement dey be to me turn woman no bebre begu ho dey be use the next 3 4 5 years na ya so abegu ho ye nhia ne sisi a enti
megitum say SSE ECG na me part of Ghana the ECG nye omone my service netco. You know, ECG provides over 70% of the country, about 73. And far greater Accra, Amoah, Kusi, Ashanti region. I'm part of Western region. But yeah, you one northern part, Econo, netco, and they provide your services. But ECG, say the medical can a strategic national asset or mine betum power, energy security, a very key. So let's wait. Now, PURC response to proposals are Omodiaba. Ye behwe se afanu mienu nyina betena se no mo adwojo hu kwan pa ye befa so significantly enough ECG ka se omu betumi akipu ye light on na se omunya increase, and the minister has assured us say the days of erratic power supply as you see now we've entered a new phase. You benya stable power. Enti at the end of negotiations, no, you be sure say you be protected consumers. Na yemfa increase a chamene to consumers so. Na at the same time so you be sure say ECG so no benya sika ombetim dia yo modwuma. Akwasi going forward the way a banwe atoto energy and Roma. The major cost component fuels are the power plant, and we are relying heavily on thermal plants. Despite the Kosombo Pond and Bui, still thermal plants are account for over 70% of our energy supply. Enti hona katwitwi die no ewo ena ye use heavy fuels ena de power. Enti abayan mu NDC a President Mahamadano nhyehyeye de Ghana gas by tuabo gas say yebetumi a generate power from your thermal plant at a cheaper price. In fact, we gas cost now less than quarter of what it costs to use fuels no enti obelde a tuabo gas. Oba second time is there were no great committee or more feasibility studies plans are underway to build another gas plant. Enti gas plant no bibria your reliance on fossil fuels na nkasa heavy fuel no ebeba from ama your generation no benya no so cost no etumi aba from ebeboa ama consumers ho ato eno dan chan wo hwe Renewable Energy Act 2011 ye de beto one nhihye ye gu akwan mu ananka ye hwe se by 2020 ye energy mix no ye benya renewable about be 10%. Ebesi sabre ye ntumi hit that target no. And I'm very happy say as part of our Banwe energy policy no they say omaya nhihye ye say government institutions secondary schools hospitals and most of government institutions no they be deploy solar systems renewable na reduce cost significantly because sika buying spending electricity bills for secondary schools on Kuano. And yeah, apart from that, say you use renewables now, then it means that your carbon footprint impact on climate no na you reduce the above form. And we share a life cycle cost of energy. Renewable no far cheaper. Tiebema cost of producing energy, cost of distribution above from ama consumers no ye ho atumi ato.
I'm right here. Make come what by say na make say sika *281# select option 4. Na etwegum. Eba we wia match 1,000 Ghana cedis for spending your time on Badwam. Hwewe ye by say. Eva makwaba biem eti mama chebe first 1,000 cedis na no pay answer na meja 4 atwa so man say draw no aba live enti wanya nipa no amaso na wanya 1,000 no online so ana. Hello, good morning. Okay, but we nyanti first 1,000 cedis no eko wanya e ma otrim kwa. Why? E ma otrim kwa. Say wanya 1,000 cedis. Yaw.
Onia
electricity.
Ayasem minua nkani asem de udidi agura be hadwin so na nsem ye minua wo bonto fan wo de namba ni ade nyina some of the quotes I am sending ma no kra me sendi bia ma no ma menkan ade bi wa say many politicians are like chameleons in the marketplace changing colors with the crowd. In opposition they sing the songs of unity, but in power they dance to discord. They preach virtue with empty words, then feast on corruption when the pot is full. In the shadow of elections, they promise heaven, but in the seat of power, they blame hell. What? They call the people good when begging for votes, but curse them when held to account. The elders say, a man who cannot be true to himself cannot lead others with truth. Until the politician learns self-honesty, the people's trust will always be a broken calabash. Amanyofuo binom no, I to say nyanya you say other than tuma. So tiase. Any wo petumi no dia obeka nsem anka chi wan obeka se Ghana for mam gold nchewe. Enti de menua yi kekan ni nsem wo hu nyina no wo munim. E no mo kase wo mo ba enchirechiremu eko or the saying 24-hour economy no. Esi edun ketia num. The Okani pay ni se ba e betete so industrial yi. Na domestic crowd so na industrial yi. Now the reality has caught up with them. So the only way out they say, ye more modern say, ye be shim, near into UP or say PURC so. But the point I'm trying to let our people, the person and crop 14 and the peminia, a more pa, mobile, I feel soon yo. And so matum, a baku ye 4%, baku 2%, easy electricity. Mobile yo, mobile ye, I think corner yo. Mobile, and so can so. Mo first 6 months no de ne de sunmu. Na sabe ka de ofru du apa ne piano. Na mobile ye na mo de amamu bone ba. Yen san tue sika biem. Obra de mo de tum nu kura no. Yen ka ho asem nwie. Hwe ma me ma statistics bi wa ha. NPP buy no. Between 2017-2020 before the COVID no, ye reduce ECG. What is saying? ECG tariff no. Ye reduce no by 11%. You can check. Me you bit my check phone ni. Phone many brief ni. No.
Wow, no very savre.
Na me di me say me opposition the opposition me ni a shepe. We say for am for the. So tia say ye reduce no by 11%.
Okay.
Enti ka ni bibi di mo ase a ye nyai emo no kro no. Ye buy ye reduce no by 11%. And no than Chenya Minia NDC for between 2012-2016. One increase ECG tariffs no by 265. Etrimodia mamu bi no. Eno ne brofo me briba me kan ye no. Ya da ntoma. O petu media o kan say. Oh and ye be betete so ama ayi no. Na mo ba ye no kra o de se mo nte so kra no a ne to mo beto ye no. Mo fe ye no ama ye ne e. Hwe ba bia kodro. So ti ase make I say eye me nua John Jinapo, interestingly, and on the science energy minister on Joy FM, or can say, frankly, money is a challenge. Deputy Minister confesses. Deputy Minister John Jinapo has confessed that the funding needed to keep power supplies stable has remained a challenge for government. What Trasso said, let me be frank, money has been one of the challenges. The Deputy Minister told by Joy FM's Super Morning Show Wednesday, October 10, 2016. And okay, Moda Mobabia na kawo ho meboa. Mobabia na e kawo ho. Tam okay, no more power. Ba ye ba ya saka na chi no. Eniema ye di go na kwan mu na menua ye ya den se ye betimi aboa tam na kofom no. Se me se be kan ha ebremem. Me no menya politician na ya me call bi kana me ka bi. I speak right. Into we cry 2020 to 2017 to 2018 20 everything and Kufu Adwaye no 2020 2024 I'm almost done with it. Se minya obi so mi mu a enkanya ne so omkran so bi no so bre wo mu no enke yes ane mani nyina I have the facts here but minia yan toaso mebreba mu kan ni ade na we na we say ni ade nyina no kasa tenten toponko de ye nim no se de Kufu Ado se no de ya bedru ye Sen na modi ebedru 2016 ye ba ya ye pese asem ye dinti no ne ye pese sue Ghana for adisu enti no wo ha mo nchemu du baako ye yi firi honom mo kro no mo no eka a na ECG mo increase no by 265%. And na ECG for o masadia be tariff dey oni amami odi na mengume dey no bon odi amani jesa figure ho papa 2025 enya de kro 2016 as at the time I saw abemu no na Ghana for ya increase electricity tariff by 265 and na mo sam ba ya eni afi mo sign up 265
man 225
225
yeah
the omidi jay 265 modern and so no me kai opani
wujamo increment of 265%
yes,
in 2017
Ghana for a year ECG they increase it
proposal now say
me say the increase it. You can check it.
Okay,
you can check it. Na me nua no sabe oye me nua na moja ya de kro nti nya ya no bi ne ba nka me kompa and naturally no he's a very good man nti na brekum for toma no na ba ko na yesem ni ade no otifie so hwe ye kra so ti ase nti me pese me bebrebe ba me nua on kro afo ni bi no on kro afo ni bi no unu no bi no NDC for no kane pa no otis adumako fa fi ba this okutwa bi ansa no abetena se but ene no me nyi eniema no emrem engu but the point I make is I say we entaso mu mo aba fi penson afenson yo afia enson ye no hwe se ba bia mo di kan ato ensuo 4% ECG 5% or say electricity tariff 5% mo sa pe bi odi aka ho nipa kro ye amonu asem a mo kan ye I remember very well now so kai mi nia His Excellency John Dramani Mama na sem ba ko kan na me de pa ni say montum tamwana ye wodum so mu no na sem a o kan ye ni say samotum wa de beda nkanem so o kai kwasi I have the people here the more na ye tum no the more na ye des nsumu enti credibility a NDC ebetumi aka no menya de say wo mu obi.
But can we also look at the whole challenge in a holistic form?
Energy sector.
You will challenge what ECG, devoid of the political party in power. A quite be na asomine, a bit me so daily with that challenge. Because under another Dan Kokufa, this Sikasme can was semi APA. Under Jomama, under like the Fourth Republic there, Sikasem ewo ECG a issue. I didn't know more tone. Dear Nama Kabe ni Edo so ECG.
Intiminia, assembly tea a and say, send this in my power that they are fine. Omo ma bakracha ban bia almost 40 years. NPP ma power they are fine. Na eye den e ne ka no party a particular party the obadia o say chinchina ye de no ya o say ne ye no. The more so omo je no, the more na no man no so ye kwa ahochirim. Hwe ma me kire bust between 2013 2016. One net loss na 569 in bust. 20 yeah bust. One bust. South ya say
okay.
NPP yen ye buy ye reduce no by 2018 no ye reduce it to 70%. Then you also reduce it further by 2019 no let's akọ form yen ye buy efficiency na ye adwuma na sabe ye so oba nim nkwan ya no oba no be ka cho se me di akụkọ na toma me akụkọ nkwan na nim ye me pakọ abi ani ko bi me pemobowa ani ko bi wo ye sa de na sa ba no onsa no anya adwuma onsa no anya adwuma
okay
so ti ase e ya dwene e efficiency mebreba amotu amoka ho asem mebrebe we nyina no it's not limited to only ECG. I can tell you say almost all the sectors na sabe minia awonhinti de football were akufu ado okro no ye whole say ministry foreign or say information ministry sika ye de call na 5 million na matmi acha 73 million akoma government spokesperson monti bi nkoi awonhinti anu kura de nya se de bepe mo chat wo bam
eno abechirichirim se
wo chechirim se
wo se that
enti fellows kwachi asem ye nyitum
menkansa other entities but to do so enye ye
on se minu ye betra se adanse odifa amu se minu ye de mpe na asem se nanum asem ne kasa na me ne ya adwen na nsan me enfila me in political communication me ko kan asem wo baby me do ye me class ye ni pa 6 se do mu si tete me no both NDC and NPP. And one of my lecturers, me person me bonidin. Say you have studied ethics, and you are so excellent to the extent say you can file lecturer be free Winnie Babai or a professor. All lecture you know before the class, and me bought me din. No, I say when I was doing my PhD, I cited you, and you know I'm held in high esteem. Okay. If free sabreno, as some am kai no, me kokan movement TV. Ade achi ya the Wednesday na the America ko ese misremo, mo fa mbɔ ne nkyɛm. Because kane no ente se ene de. Okay. So ati ase. And you know sani awo kan se no what wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛn. Enti assuming say Kufuado and what buy and was a foreign information ministry kwano 70 million. Say na kafele so wachenka. Ebi ni plane ye kofa hunsemi. Say na wamosi broja jemfi deputy interior minister. Okuje tomo defense minister. Okuje tomo. Wamosi Africa he nyina. Ye na what the best yi. Ene kosi sen. Enti say na oba na wo kyire mu a. Say ya anwene wa man no ho, ya anwene nyame ho, ni ya anwene nipa no ho a. Say na ye beka no. Enti me no metie me wogidie me warehemu entoto ya toto no sie nyina nye ho nkabo mu pa no a sede yanom ehwie guyi no nyame adom inshallah 2020 beba power na ebomu no na ne sayo sunti no me metna ha emo akiro bi nka se adom akoba fi on Adom TV when you were saying it he kick against the pricks na ebomu na tiefo no ankasa muntie woye papa nkwanim beti minu ya bre on nkire mu ati ejai erase awazi masre quick one manya for message kakra wasara ama for message see awore ejai we see akwasi say good morning. Ghanaians really regret voting for the NDC and we are pleading with Mahama to bring our vote back to us because he is not fulfilling his promises. Greetings to Nana Ayenkan, we free keke and free kaswa and our day ebai. We say, fellow Ghanaians, let's extend our heartfelt gratitude to President John Dramani Mahama for his remarkable leadership. His government has truly made a positive impact, and we appreciate his dedication to our nation. Regards to Honorable Bright Asamoah Brefo, MP for BBNE, and Yanso Akisimid, we free Sefi Bekwai, and our day by Wednesday, more fire. The news is here, fire. We say, good morning. Tell my own uncle for Adom Akubefi, he's talking too much. No point. What did Akufuado do in 8 years? MPP will be in opposition forever and ever. 2 p.m. and we're free Asante Mampo and about a few minutes. Now, a quick one.
Na me aminua ka se babia yewura Akufuado di ebedu yewo enyina menkanea ejina bre. Me bo point babia odi ebedu ye. Se me kan sem ni nyina ba dia Ghana for. Okay. Or the Ebedu say Ojaye eka $3.1 billion. Energy sector now energy sector financing shortfall. Okay. Enko Osenjaye 9 billion Ghana cedis. Thankfully, within 7 months, 8 months, President Mahama after says in energy sector financing shortfall of 9 billion. I don't know man kaniano. Now, because on the back of this, the who say President Mahama ebe free national 2016 law na odeba mra odeba energy sector levy NDC fu akuku damfo nyina ka asesa levy way ebetumi akoatia ye wa abato mu President Mahama ka say not under his presidency no behwe ama energy sector a collapse completely. Okay. Ejodi sa levy no buy. Na levy no buy no am benefit. President Mahama buy am benefit. Implementation started to December 2016. You free buying so. From 2017 January to December 2024. 8 years MDP buy mono. Sa energy sector levy na President Mahama ye no. Crew 36 billion Ghana cedis. Adom TV. Says Sikana says ye energy sector ka free wo. Ma energy sector no be jira na nan so. Says Sikana buy no Akufuado aban amfa anye say adwuma no. O no na last year bi o ha say omo de bi akoye kwan. Omo de bi akoye we. Energy sector levy. Energy sector levy sika crew ye no. Of that o de akoye kwan. So the money was not applied to deal with energy sector. Ena yasanya ba be to kan say da ho IPPA say omo supply power nyina say ka Kufuado aburu agu ho no ye ntua de won supply get the offer ka say omo antoto electricity but akwasi mo free no omo nyina na agu aburu ka na agu ho ena ban foforo aba ubedi ade a ofa de wo ho ka wo ho nso aye den ofa endi kana ya befa no to keep the lights on. Necessary, but no, very proactive. But situation I want cumulative effect. Cumulative effect of inefficiency of the past energy sector.
Esla, no lose with internet and our
36 billion. Energy sector. 36 billion. 36 billion.
After the time I'm with the
Parliament prove we are free about December 2016.
At the time no. Na Parliament free ana moye dia.
Well, na law na we.
Entemra ben
na for implementation. Starting January.
Onia fe, onia no asama. January. Kasa tintin top onko.
Ya what 30 seconds.
Na the one man be 5 minutes. We dey mama 3 minutes. Mama 3 minutes. Mo ankasa take our home a year amode buy. A year fictitious deals amoye. Any card beto ho. Say NPP near buy any rebel negotiate. And yet me at so 700 million. You are talking about car. Again, a car momujai editor on mono. Now close to 3 billion. Said they're walking.
No.
Yeah, buy no. Yeah, what you see a could no casa. NDC acquired to say aquada. On the Kakrabia knows. That is the answer to record. Oh, there be no record. No, we put out. Oh, Casarmi,
26 but and yet, the figures.
Oh, there Onia. Now, and I make us say, once a minute about who can who's ought to Adam say. But the point I'm trying to stress is say a cardiac car, a car mujani.
Okay.
Anyone sends someone with the Jan energy mugu no. Yenim Kragana for him say 2012-2016.
Okay.
NPP by a year. Emma,
member of the NPP National Communications Team. I was to guard here. Fachemi. Media Presencia. Or Cheddar for Sugar Merasi. Yeah, Merasi. That's why I watched the background.